There we go. Maybe?
Oh, I'll share my screen. Make sure to mute it.
Okay. Hello,
Oh,
everybody.
wait, are you live right now?
Yes,
You're
I just
you're
went live.
Okay.
Go ahead, your
I
screen
found out
is
something
muted.
apparently, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
Which is that you know how you have to have Nitro to stream at a higher quality?
Mm-hmm.
Apparently, that's actually locked, not behind Nitro, but behind your Discord client.
Hmm.
Which means that if you use something like Vencord, you can actually just tell it to. Oops.
Oh,
You can just tell it to stream at like a higher quality, and it will just do it.
that's crazy.
Yeah. Okay. Is there?
What a well-designed software.
Life.
I'm sure it's very secure.
Yeah, well-designed software. Okay, there we go. I think I'm live.
Cool.
Hello.
Hopefully you're live.
Hello.
Yeah, here's hoping.
Hello.
Unable to display some videos live. Yeah, there we go.
Actually, I'll be back in just a second. I need to get some ice for my Dr. Pepper. It's cold. Or it's warm. Sorry. I'll be right back.
Dude just went live and immediately was like, all right, time to leave.
Come on, my Dr. Pepper is gonna be warm. I can't stream with warm Dr. Pepper, okay? I'll be right back.
Like something better, at least. SMH. Give me just a moment. We're still setting things up. I'm a little bit slow today, as per the usual every day. I need to send my going live notification. Working on some Dante 9 code, likely. Come hang out at stream notifications, and today's URL is this guy. Because YouTube can't use the same live URL ever. Ace. I guess I should get a bot that does that, perhaps. That would be really cool. I should do that, actually. I should do that as fuck. Maybe I can make a bot that does that, actually. Hello, Kiki. Thank you for the Discord member. Congratulations. I'm excited for 800 people. Okay. So the first thing to do, I'm actually going to make a to-do list as well. Because I think a to-do list would make this a lot easier. Let me go through my pre-stream real quick. So social streams up, VideoTube, yeah, for stream notification. Shared chat is not on because he never joined the shared chat. All right, cool. Join the shared chat.
I'm back.
Join
I'm
shared
back.
Chat. Join
The shared chat. Okay.
Join the call. I can share the chat.
Working on it, working on it.
He's working on it. He's pulling his chat out. All right, share chat.
There we go.
All right, cool. YouTube. Okay, cool. So there's the pre-stream checklist. So I want to come up with a checklist of things that I'm going to do today because I had a couple of ideas to stream August 26th. It's crazy. It's almost September already. It's like fucked up.
Almost September.
All right. So
hello,
what I want
Evelynion.
to do- Hello.
So many people. Look at that.
So the first thing that I want to do is I want to push up flying enemy code. That will be the first thing that we'll do. And then I wanted to
There we go.
potentially.
My Dr. Pepper's nice and
I wanted to
cold
make a
now.
card ability today.
Okay.
I want to make a card ability, and I think probably laser pointer is a good one to do.
Mm-hmm.
Unless did you want to try that one?
Nah, you can do that one.
Okay. So, what is the? We'll come back to that in a second. I'll make some design on that. Design to be decided. I would like to pick up currency, add store.
I designed a
see.
couple little coins for you. If you want to use them.
Store item, perhaps.
If you want to look at
Sure.
my screen, you can see
Yeah.
little
So I'll stream on
coins.
Stream real quick.
Do you want me to
Got
put these in a
that
project, or I can just like export them and send them to you? do you
Either
want
or.
them?
I'm gonna be
Okay.
doing Git changes anyways, so
All right.
I'll be.
I think
I'll
I
be
have
in
some.
the
Actually, I have
depths
some stuff that I need to
of
push
CCS
up too.
anyways.
So.
So,
Let's see. What do I even have
because
in
you've played
here?
Terraria, right? The idea behind the laser pointer is kind of inspired by the shadow beam staff, I think. Which is that's the fandom wiki. Fuck off.
What did I?
I need to get one of those. I need to get the extension that blocks fandom from showing up on your searches. So this is the Shadow Beam staff, which is just like you shoot it in a direction and it bounces off walls. And so I was thinking that it would be kind of based on. Oh shit! Sorry, didn't break out live. Reaction still on. I was thinking it'd be something like this, or at least similar. The other idea that I had was that you would hold down the button to charge it, and then whenever you let go, it would shoot. And then you could choose to hold it down more or less to cause it to do more or less damage. So it could either be like quick shots, or it could be like a charged shot that does a lot. So we'll see.
Oh, I was thinking more of a continuous beam, but like
oh,
that
like
works too.
I see. Like the glue-on gun from, I don't know if that's the right one, from Half-Life. Is that what it was? Holy shit! I can't believe that I actually got that correct. Is there a video of this being used? No, hold on. I can't believe that I actually got that correct. What a crazy call out.
I should play Half-Life. I got
Half-Life
Black
might
Mesa,
be-
but I still haven't played it or installed it.
Yeah, so this is the
Probably should.
this is the glue-on gun from Half-Life, so it's just like a
Yeah, basically
continuous
like
beam
that.
that fires.
Well, it's cool how it
1996,
like
by the
gets
way, or
more
1994,
spirally
by
when
the
it
way.
as you shoot it.
Yeah, this was before OpenGL, by the way. I'm fairly certain. This was before like GLSL shaders were super easy to write, so a lot of this was like,
That's actually so cool.
yeah. And here's the Black Mesa version. I actually don't know what this looks like, so maybe this would be sick. Whoa, that actually does look fucking. I don't like what it's doing. Sorry, it looks
You
sick.
don't like it?
Beam looks sick. I don't like the way that this moves because it doesn't match the movement of the laser at all. See what I mean? Like whenever he puts it to the side, it doesn't match. Like the laser keeps going straight despite this going to the left.
I don't know. It's not terrible.
Yeah. Oh, fuck off. Yeah. No, but it's a sick ass gun.
But yeah, I was thinking more like that, and just like a big laser beam. Kind of just like
we could do
fries
that.
everything.
I wouldn't mind it.
And then it would
Let
like
me
use up
do-
mana for however long you hold it down.
Yeah. Could use like a little. It could do like a little burst of mana, and then as you keep holding it down, it continues to.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Oh, shit, what is
Something like
this? Hopefully, is there anything important in here that's being
Hmm?
gone off to the world? Nope. And nope. I don't know why there are unsaved files in my.
This guy's never gonna finish Rain World and Outer Wilds. This is true. I might.
Yeah. he's gonna
Outer
finish
Wilds
Ringworld and
probably
Outer Wilds
not.
this stream,
Rain World maybe.
maybe.
I just didn't really like Outer Wilds in the first place.
Really?
Rain World is like cool.
What didn't you like about Outer Wilds?
I don't know.
He doesn't know.
I don't know.
I'm not ready to push
It's
up the deck
scary.
changes.
I don't like
They
space
still need to be
games. At least some space games.
Saved state. Saved state.
No,
Oh,
I
this
would
is a-
rather not stream Outer Wilds and fly directly into Giant's Deep.
This is true. Dante palette can be added. Card red background. There's allegedly a difference here. Whatever, dude. Get the fuck out of here. Card activate sheets.
Okay, what was I
Allegedly a
going to
difference
do?
here.
Oh yeah, I wanted to. I think I might try doing the UI like I have it mocked up here. What do you think of this?
Oh, sorry, what's up? Oh yeah, you sent me
This
this.
that I
earlier.
have here, yeah.
I'm gonna put you on stream.
Mhm. This needs to be moved back. What layer is this on? Not that layer. Wait, is this layer?
Motherfucker never control clicks to move things. Yeah, I was like, that needs to be moved to be centered with the heart at the top, I feel like.
With the heart?
Maybe like 1 pixel to the right.
It was
1
centered
pixel to
with
the
the
left now. That feels better, I think, than 1 pixel to the right.
Okay.
It's
But
like
then
slightly
these
to the
ones
left
feel
because it's not
off.
the same. Yeah, well, move those to the right one. Yeah, I think that's fine. Well, the text needs to be changed. Aside from the There's some weird spacing things. We gotta figure that out. Are they all
I
in
don't
different
know.
layers? Because they have to be exported separately. So it's just easier for them to do that now.
Well, yeah.
Well.
I mean, also, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, ease of editing, and also they need to be exported separately. Because if you would have to break those apart to export them. Because it's not like we're just putting this direct texture in there. We're making this out of different parts.
Go ahead and toss this guy.
Let me make sure that the flying enemy works real
Oop,
quick.
that's the wrong layer. Yeah, I wanted to
Okay,
re-add the gibs for those guys.
Sure.
So I was going to do that, and then I realized, wait, you haven't pushed up either of the new enemy designs yet. Make that a little bit difficult.
God, this less music is so fucking good, man. Screen
Bro.
tearing bit. I don't know what's going on here, but I know floor 3 tile set. Is floor 3 the library?
I think so.
It is. It is, yes. I don't know what's up with this terrain tearing bit stuff, but I'm gonna assume that you fixed this on your end, so I'm just gonna kill it.
The what?
The card activate animation needs to be
Well, if you do assume I fix things, but okay.
true. Sorry, what did I change here?
Oh, I also
And
made some
flag.
chests this afternoon because I was bored. So we have chests now.
Fuck, does Night in the Woods title theme have a theremin? Is that what the sound of that is? Or is that a... Hold up.
I don't know. Don't ask
Song's about
me.
over, so I'm just gonna toss on the... That's not a theremin, right? It's just like a... That is a theremin, though. The fucking... We'll listen to this for a little bit. And by a little bit, I mean I'm gonna wait until it's over. We're just listening to this. Oh shit, did I just push up deck changes? Fuck me, I did. You don't need to happen yet, because I would like to push all of those up at once. Because they do not pertain to the enemy. So let's just work on the enemy and the card activate stuff, because I think those need to be fixed, because they are broken. Card activates animation. Speed scale is 0.25. I don't know why. Maybe I won't push that up. Maybe I will, though. I don't know. Why is it set to 0.25?
I've discovered it's so much better to just have like all the sprites in one big file instead of like separating them out. Makes
I
life
wish
really easy.
that it'd be really cool if there was a great way. You've never used Photoshop, have you?
Mm-mm.
So in Photoshop, there's a way that you can create things called smart objects. So your project is made out of multiple smart objects, and so each of those would be an external smart object, and whenever you edit one of them, it would update in this file.
Oh yeah. They have those in Clip Studio. I actually use those in the cover art for the cards. That way, if I want to redesign what the cards look like in the cover art, I don't have to like redraw it. I can just edit the objects, and it'll save all the like transforms and stuff.
You have like an extra shadow on that, by the way. On the left side, there's a shadow that's touching the corner that feels a little wrong. On the ring, the bottom left, yeah, right. So there, left, there.
This?
Is that one supposed to be light, or is that supposed to be?
I mean,
I don't know which one's. I don't know what you're going for, but it
I
just,
don't
something
know.
about that felt wrong. I don't know if it should be
Okay,
there or not.
sure.
But I don't know. I mean, if you're the artist, I was just.
Yeah.
That's what it looked like. I was just like, whoa. Okay, this looks fine.
Yeah, I don't think we really need a ton of chests, so I think like maybe these should be good. Maybe like one more, or maybe I'll redesign them at some point, but
Yeah, we can figure that out.
they don't need to be all that fancy.
So flying fire projectile. Apparently there's...
And I'll
Oh,
also,
this is a completely new thing.
let me see, I also want to have variants that you don't need keys for, so that would just look like the same, but oop, what did I do?
Variant.
Variant, yeah.
Projectile shooting components. I believe you two are both fine to pass in. You are fine. You're fine, probably. delta changes. Right? Yeah, all these are delta changes.
So yeah, so we'd have like locked chests that look like this with the little key, and then chests that aren't locked wouldn't have the little keyhole.
Okay, that's deck changes. This is deck changes. You don't matter? Question mark? No, you don't. State. Yeah, we can include that because that's typing. That's debug stuff. Your deck changes. Your deck changes. You are not. I'm an audio manager. Why is there a difference in here? Oh, panic.
Do you want the coins as like a atlas texture or individual?
I would prefer it to be a sheet if possible.
Okay.
Like of all of them. Although, I mean, I can work with either. It just depends. I just tend to prefer one sheet.
Okay. Let's see. The only problem is there 1 pixel center. I guess I could just do. How big is this one? This is 9 by 9.
Wait, what are you talking about?
I'm just trying to figure out the best way to arrange them. It's fine.
I mean, you could just put them in their own like 16 by 16 grid and just like put them on the closest center. That's fine. Because we can just like, whenever they're used in game, we can choose where the center is. It's not a huge deal. Oh, this is all the on-screen console stuff that I added. Fuck, I forgot about this. Oopsie. I'll push that up as well because it's quite useful.
Crazy.
Ah, shit. There's changes to this, aren't there? Debug menu. Yeah, you have a reference to the deck. That's fucking annoying. But I'll just include only. Oh, wait, no, you don't care. You literally do not matter. Okay, cool. You do not matter. Don't get it twisted. This should be connect one shot. Yep. One shot mentioned.
One shot.
Also, hello Dovos. How's it going? How you doing? I haven't looked in Pirate Software's server in a little while. Are you doing anything cool with Godot right now? Oh, this was my comments about this. Sorry, we're just cleaning up commits and then I can actually get into what I'm working on today. Okay, I think they should be fine. That's deck, that's player. Oh, player's actually got some changes, right? What did I change? Nothing, never mind.
And I think we should only have one type of key. We don't need to have like
I would
multiple.
imagine so, yeah. The only thing that would
Unless it's like
be a little
Gungeon where there's like the special keys to like unlock super specific doors that you get like one of, but
oh, so what I was thinking of was we can worry about this later, but like what if you got like a relic that made it so that you have infinite keys, like the skeleton key, which would update the sprite of your key? But that would be like a much later thing. Let's not account for the future.
I mean, for
right
that
now.
you could just
We
have
don't
it
know
give
what's
you
gonna
like
be
a
the future.
million keys.
Yeah, well, no, I don't like that. I would like there to be some sort of indicator on the HUD. Because it makes it easier to watch as someone who's just watching someone play. They'd be like, why are they opening all the chests and it's not spending any keys? Then they could see the icon and be like, oh, that's different than my game.
Yeah, I guess you're
Kind
right.
of thing. I guess that's also another thing that I would like to keep in mind eventually, is... Okay, I think this is good. I would like to keep in mind people watching the game rather than just the people playing it, because if the game is understandable from a watch perspective, that will be really, really helpful for drawing more people in, and it'll make it easier to view.
Yeah.
Some games are like only clear if you're playing it. Like Caves of Cud, great game. Don't ever watch anyone play it unless it's like a friend that's just like explaining it to you. If you watch like a YouTuber, there's just like so much shit going on always. Oh, all of this is so gross. I would probably rather make a function for this, but whatever. It's for testing stuff, so who really cares? Nice. I lied about there being no other changes because I also need to change this. So follow. Flying fire projectile enemy. None of this should be broken if I push this up. None of this should be broken either. You and you. And actually probably just all of this. Okay, I think that's everything, mayhaps. Because this is changes that I'm not ready to push up yet. Yes, okay. So, flying enemy changes. Okay, you should be good to... Wait, hold up, just kidding. Sorry, Git told me that something's broken. Oh, because you made changes to these as well as what I made changes to. So I will... What did I change about the player again? I changed... So the code is changed and also the... Equipment used, on equipment used. Shit. Here's what I'm gonna do. Stash. Deck. Rework.
Yeah, let me go and I added the new sprites. I'll go and push those up.
Okay, sorry. So hello, Ace Spectre. You were in London last week. You're currently trying to write a story, but you're procrastinating and contemplating too much again. So fucking real. Imagine spending all of your time thinking about things rather than just doing them. Could be me. Totally could be me. So what did you change? What did you push up? Chest test. Okay, I see.
What?
You pushed
Oh,
up
yeah.
something called chest test one up.
Oh, that was just me seeing how they looked in the game.
Oh,
I forgot
no,
I did that too.
I'm gonna get a paper towel really quickly. I will be right back really, really quickly.
Okay. Ugh, I don't know why I'm so tired today. Sometimes it just be like that.
Okay, I'm back. Yeah, analysis paralysis really sucks, and there's a lot of people who unfortunately fall into it.
Definitely not me. Would never.
Did you pull the changes, by the way? And did you push anything?
Yeah.
Yes, and
Yeah,
see
yeah, I
you
did.
pushed something. Yeah. Sprites, coins, key, and icon. Okay, good, dope. Here's hoping that everything works. I don't know if it will. Probably will. Also, I do want to explain Caves of Cud to you. Caves of Cud is such a great game.
Can you explain Caves of Cud to me too?
I don't think you would enjoy it. I mean,
Can
I
you
can,
do it
but I don't think you
still?
would enjoy it. It looks like a spreadsheet, and Lukaiza plays old school
Never mind.
roguelites.
Never mind. Get me out of here. Help.
Yeah, exactly.
Can I mod it to look
It's
nice?
You can mod it. That's like lame though.
But I want it to look nice.
Alright, can I run the game? Let's find out.
Yippee!
Oh wait, I can
The
see
answer
what the
is
new guy feels
yes.
like. Hold up, right? By the way,
yeah, flying enemies.
in case I haven't said this before, I think all enemies should take knockback.
Yes, you have said this.
Okay.
We should put that in the to-do list if it isn't already. I
Yeah,
think once the new camera changes around, I'll actually really like fighting this guy because the camera makes it a little weird, but
yeah,
I can't wait to...
I think the way I implemented knockback for the player would work pretty well for most of the enemies. Basically what it is it's like just a entirely separate value from the velocity and then just adds it to the velocity on top of it.
So the flying projectile enemy, I added this as part of its movement code. However, I think I would like to move this into like a generic field on the enemy. There's a knockback velocity parameter, and all that does is it's added onto the velocity while it's being pushed and slowly deteriorates over time.
Okay, why is
They
this
also
guy
need a
like
sound
actually
whenever
feels
they
so
shoot.
sick? Yeah,
Yeah, he needs a sound.
like a charge sound.
Yeah.
Actually, there's a charge sound for the. Oh wow, he like instantly dies. I feel like he needs a little bit more health.
He's really weak. All right, push up flying enemy code. Dope. So I also would like to.
Let me see.
Best viewers.
Best viewers.
I already have them. What do you mean best viewers? I saw Moaz, Kiki, Lukaiza, and Dovos in chat, and I know all of those people. I already have.
They are the
viewers.
best viewers.
And I'm sure that there's other people, and maybe not in chat, but they're hanging out right now that are better than whatever you guys could offer.
I also have the
whatever
best
fuck.
viewers because they sit in chat and don't say anything.
The left-right movement of the camera feels too direct for the fast right-left movement of the character. Yeah, we need to do some camera rework stuff.
Mhm.
I'm happier with how the camera is now than it was before, but yeah, no, it definitely needs a little bit of love and attention. It is on our docket of things that I would like to do, most likely off stream, so I can just like sit there and attempt to work through things. All right, let's bring out
Yeah.
this. There are merge conflicts. Please handle them. Dope. It's the Obsidian file, man. You can do whatever. Oh, this is fixed except current change. Commit. Oh, save. Should be a dead zone in the middle of the screen or something like that. Mayhaps. We also heard it was also potential that the camera would try to stay in front of the player as they. Ah, shit. Goodbye, Godot. I'm sorry. You're being taken out back and old Yellard. What are these changes?
Where is the flying enemy?
Oh, I'll just.
How do I like
accept
quick
your
open a
changes.
scene again?
Control P.
Okay.
Is that what you meant?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. There should be a lot of look ahead for the character as well. Just a couple of other nice things. So what's up with this? Sorry. So why did you make a change? What did you do? Oh, change health is connected to the health component. So it would be something like.
Where's the like charging animation?
It's a scene, or it's it's where the fuck is it? Is it under projectile shoot component? It is, yeah.
Oh, why'd you put it under there? That's supposed to be like a generic thing.
Oh, this is a different thing.
Oh,
This
is it?
I think I moved this to a different thing. Why do I ping? Oh, I have a message.
Oh, yes, this is different. This
Oh,
is
yeah.
flying fire projectile.
Yes, this is a different
Okay.
thing. This is specifically the attack for that enemy. So this is
Okay.
so whenever the enemy wants to attack, it calls prepare attack, and then when it actually attacks, it calls the do attack function.
Okay. Cool. So I'm gonna try to add a sound in here. I'm just gonna add a function to play the
Okay.
sound and then play it that
So there is
method.
a sound.
What?
Oh, do you mean for the charge up? Or do you
Yeah,
mean
for the
shoot?
charge up. For the charge up. Yeah.
Okay, I see. Yeah, that would be under the prepare attack then.
And
likely.
for loading things like this, do you like to do constants? I see you do constants.
I do
a
like
lot.
to do
Okay.
const, yes. Const or var, it doesn't really matter, to be honest with you.
Okay.
So
What if I do on ready preload?
if you do on ready preload, I'm gonna like get upset.
Okay. Best viewers again.
Again,
really like
that was
us.
It was blocked by chat, and it looks like.
Yeah.
How do I?
I love
Was
streaming.
deleted by us and modified by them. Delete file. Whatever, dude. It's gone forever.
I feel so off today. What am I doing? Sound. Yes, sound. Should I
is the
type
game
like preloads?
Hmm?
I mean, like, I don't see why not, but like,
Yes.
is there an upside to it? Okay.
Yes, actually, which I think is that. Can you check this whenever you get a second after you
Mhm.
do your preload? So we'll answer your questions.
Mm-hmm.
I'll actually put you on stream so other people can see this just in case.
There's already a sound.
Audio
We
stream
need to
player is the.
send some
Oh wait, oh,
charge.
because they're same name.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You could also change that to be shoot sound rather than just sound if you wanted to. You would have to pull in the...
Nah, it's too much work.
Okay. Could also be an export variable to change the sound, but it's fine. It doesn't really matter that much.
We'll do this here,
You could
since this will happen
also-
between these two.
You could play it via the... No, it's fine.
Yeah, isn't there a soundtrack?
There is, but you're
But like,
calling
I want to
the
play
audio
it
manager.
through the audio manager, yeah.
Yeah. I would say use spatial if you can as well. I don't know if you
Use spatial, okay.
Yeah, because I think we want
Where's
to mess around with spatial sounds. 'Cause it makes it a little easier to tell what's being done in a room. Because audio is just like something we inherently understand a little bit better.
Yeah. I love my function names, they're so good.
Hello. Hello, welcome in.
Hello,
Okay,
hello.
let me make sure the game runs, and then I'm good to go. Stuff. Please work, please work, please work, please work. Let me add a bunch of cards.
Okay, we want to play charge sound, and
I
we want it to be at a global position. Go to
I should
0.1
see
pitch
how
range,
delayed my
and
microphone is on stream.
we know.
Oh, I fucked something up. I think the brick is colliding with enemies.
Oh yeah, because you were changing the
Yeah.
things, and you probably messed
Okay,
it
that
up.
looks like that works.
That's okay.
Okay, that works. I'm gonna commit this up. Not everything. You are not committing the default bus layout change, nor the export presets, nor the project.godot, nor the save state. You're not committing half this shit up, dude. But get rid of it. Fix it. So deck changes. Deck changes.
It's 1.5
util
seconds.
Util changes. Oh, sorry. I still have you on his screen share. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So this is my actual screen. I have over here the friend that I'm working with. I have him in a Discord
Hello.
call, and I just anytime he wants to show something off, I'll toss this on the thing, and I always forget to turn it
Yeah,
off.
and I don't have Discord
This-
Nitro, so it looks terrible.
Yeah. True. If you go to his stream and he's ever putting me on the screen, though, you'll notice that mine is very sharp because I do have Discord
It's
Nitro.
okay, I'm
and
getting
I
a job. If I get a job, which I will be getting, I'll make it
Just,
Nitro,
like-
just to make you all happy.
Just get Vencord without the shitty parts of it.
But I don't want to get Vencord.
I know it's such a gross thing to just like. think of.
Which
Oh
one?
yeah, this is
So,
something that I'll just commit that.
oh, I didn't save your file, so it's not gonna show up. That's why.
Oh yeah, so yeah.
There
Thank
we
you for
go.
mentioning that. One issue with it is his Godot theme. I'll put this on really quickly. Is like gray, and my Visual Studio Code theme is also gray. So whenever I'm
Oh,
doing things
yeah.
like these commit changes, I will not notice out of the corner of my eye that it's gray instead of blue. But my Godot is actually blue.
my
It's
Godot
the
theme's better.
option.
We love
Alright,
passive
buddy.
star.
Mhm.
Passive star. Yeah.
Passive Star? Is that what you're
Yeah.
trying to say?
Yeah. That one.
You got it, man.
Have you seen the stuff he's been posting? He's been doing some insane things with the 3D.
I have not actually. No,
Like he's
maybe.
been making all kinds of cool lighting stuff, and it's like, how the heck do you make it look that good in Godot?
No, Passive Star is sick. There's also I actually don't know how to pronounce his name, but it's either Franked or Franked.
Yeah.
I
I know exactly.
yeah,
what
he's
you're
in my
talking about.
server. And he's very, very good at 3D. I'll pull up his Twitter really quickly.
Yeah, someday I want to do 3D,
Or
but
actually, I'll see
Not
if he's on
today.
Blue Sky first before I pull up his Twitter.
I believe he
if
is.
he's on Blue Sky, then we're gonna prefer that. You said you think? Oh yeah, he is.
Yeah, he is.
I'm sure I'm following him. I am. Yeah. Yeah. So he does really cool stuff. Oh, thank you, Blue Sky. He does really cool stuff in Godot. This is all in Godot with like realistic lighting stuff. Looks fucking sick. It's really cool seeing 3D artists move to Godot and do like just really cool stuff because we haven't really had 3D artists in Godot for a while. He also does a lot of really cool Blender stuff. I'd recommend checking him out if you like 3D stuff. Also just a cool guy in general. What is this? Follow mouse. I don't actually know what this is, but it's there. Sure, boy kisser, you can receive changes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You are fine to receive changes. You're fine to receive changes. Sorry, I'll do coding in just a second. I have some shit going on. I gotta
We
make
love
sure it works.
watching people scroll through their code trying to figure out what they're doing.
Well,
It's
all I'm
pretty
doing
fun.
is I'm not figuring out what I'm doing. I'm just making sure all the changes make sense and actually need to be there. Like these changes don't need to be there. These changes can actually be killed and removed, and I don't
Yeah.
stage selecting ranges because they don't need to be there anymore. That's fine. All that's fine. I would be so cool if there was like a way to look for changes that weren't about the deck, but they're just all about the deck right now. This is a print statement I got rid of because that's gross. And I like killing my print statements before I push things up. Panning would be great, but not right now. Global stats.
Oh, I also
I'm gonna.
pushed up the change that makes pumpkin spelled properly.
Unfortunate. You gave it like extra personality though, dude. What the fuck? I don't like that it shows us 2 util files despite the fact that there's only one.
Crazy. If I edit an animation, does it save the changes?
Sometimes yes.
Okay, it has a little
About
charge
animation.
sound now.
Oh, okay. Oh, did you just change when the sound plays?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I can't hear it, so, but it's okay.
I can pause my
feel like
music
I'm
if you
doing
want to.
No, I don't
You
feel like
wanna
I'm reading your
unmute it?
stream.
Yeah,
It's fine.
okay.
You can just leave it. Yeah, I'll do it later. I'll do it whenever you push up changes. I just pushed up some more changes. You don't have to pull them right now though, unless you end up doing anything that deals with ability stuff. You shouldn't need to pull those changes.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
I think I was gonna fix the gibs and then push up some or work on some art or something. I think one of the main things I want to focus on is just making sure that the game looks as nice as possible because I want to make a trailer soon, or at least like a basic trailer.
Yeah.
And I might
The game
also
look better with a vignette on it.
Huh?
Would everything look better with a vignette?
No.
You don't think so?
Yeah, maybe.
It's like a Minecraft fancy graphics that just sets everything to have a vignette on it.
Are when the bullets hit, is them getting smaller like have a really slow frame rate, or is my game just running terribly?
It has low frame rate. It's
Oh, okay, I don't like it at all.
Okay. I mean, you can change it then. I think that was something that's been in there for a while.
Yeah, I just never really noticed it. They all seem to make a sound when they hit things.
Mm-hmm.
I really like the new changes that you made though. It looks cool.
Thank you. Thank you. So let's get the gradient texture up. I love gradient textures, by the way, if anyone doesn't know. Oh, sorry. You're in Godot. You don't know how to code in it. Fair enough. I mean,
Oh, also
That's kinda where you
the flying guy should flip to face you. Cause if you look, he's kind of like angled to the right.
oh, you're right. I don't ever think of that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's make this radial, and then... Ah, fuck, I need to flip my gradient. I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna flip my gradient.
He's flipping his gradient.
Flipping my gradient. There's nothing you can do about it. Gradient flipped.
No,
Yeah,
it's over. Okay.
I love Zelda Wind Waker music. Oh, yeah, baby.
Okay.
Yeah. at it. I'm gonna edit this. I don't have a way to freeze the camera, do I? I guess I'll hit tab out. Oh, it's still. Why does it read inputs whenever the camera's or whenever the game is tabbed out of? Weird. I know why, kind of. See, doesn't this look so much better? It's all like film grainy, or it's like it's got the vignette around it. I should probably move this.
Maybe.
Oh, this is part of. Hold on.
It needs to be.
He's like actually considering it. What the fuck?
It would need to be behind the UI, but
Yeah, I'm trying to figure that out. I'm just
I don't know.
stupid
think
dumb
it's-
idiot, man.
Oh, now it's really small.
No, yeah, because it was part of the world.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm trying to figure out where I want to put this. And the answer is probably right here. And then I'm gonna move this. Fuck. Hold on. I can do this. I can do this, man. Hold on. I can do this all day. Canvas layer. You, and then I'm going to set you to be a this. There we go. Now it's behind the UI. Is it even there? Actually, I think it is. I can't really tell though.
How am I connecting this? I'm very confused.
No, it's definitely not there.
Oh, I see. It's connected to the death script. Okay. I should probably change this so I'm connecting it through code because I think that's better.
There we go. Now we get the vignette going. It's all darkened. Ooh, spooky. There's a vignette on the screen. It doesn't matter. I'm just playing around with it.
Okay.
All right.
Anyways.
Oh, sorry. These particles really make the world more animated and less static. I cannot wait to change some of these particles and make them a little bit more performant. But yeah, I do really like the ones that are like fire that go up. I think that these little smoke ones could use a little bit of particle stuff. But we shall see. Also, Alexander, you said, I wanted to say thanks for your tutorials, top quality content. Thank you very much. I cannot wait to make more of them. And by cannot wait, I mean I'm not making more of them for a little bit. But eventually I will, once I feel the motivation to do that again. I do have a couple of things planned that I do want to work on, but I also said that like a year ago, and I put out one video. Okay, so what I wanted to do was I wanted to do some hard ability stuff. So for the laser pointer, so there's 3 design types, 3 design possibilities. I think I know which one we're probably going to end up going with, but I would just like to write them out anyways to kind of go through the whole process. So my first one was Shadow Beam Staff. Reference bounces off walls. And then there's also the charge shot. Like it would be like a charge rifle from Apex, but like charge shot, charge and release 2 shoots. Quick beam. Or the one that you're talking about, which is a continuous beam that drains mana while firing. Okay. So probably gonna end up going with this one, to be honest, because that does seem fine. I think I would like to explore either of these 2 later. Like the idea of like a charge and release is cool. Gungeon has a couple of those. I don't like those weapons personally, but I do think that they
Yeah, we should
should be
definitely have
considered
some,
the
but
added.
I don't think that should be this. 'Cause I mean, if you think of a laser pointer, it's like not something that you charge. It's like you push a button
Yeah.
and it turns on.
Yeah, I mean, if you think of cats, they don't typically hold guns or anything, but...
Okay.
Oh! Oh my god, hold on.
Uh-huh.
Let me see if I can find this. There's something really cool about deadlock that I found out about.
About deadlock.
About deadlock.
Go what?
Let's see. All right, where is Let me check something really quickly. I want to make sure that my stream is set to the right mode. It is. Cool. Okay. Because YouTube's been weird today. So can you look at my screen real quick? I got something really cool to show you that I think you'll like. So this is deadlock inside of like the training range or whatever. And there's this little ghost cat that runs around. And for Vindicta, because her sniper has a laser pointer, it chases the laser pointer around in like the practice range.
Wait, that's kind of peak. I might need to play Deadlock.
And apparently, because there's one character that turns into a cat, and they also have a special interaction with it.
That's
So yeah, I think
peak.
it'll just be a continuous beam that drains mana while firing.
Mhm.
So let's go ahead.
Yeah.
Do you have a sprite for the actual held laser?
I do. Yep. Sorry.
Laser pointed up PNG. I see. Okay.
Yeah, then you can make the beam. However, I think it should be like really big and chunky, but you do you.
So let's see. It's been a minute since I've worked on the ability system, I'll be honest. So I don't remember exactly where I would start with this. But I think it would be under source card abilities. Yep.
Actually, now that I think about it, I think it'd probably look similar to. It should look similar to some of like the beam weapons from Gungeon.
The beam weapons from Gungeon. I
Yeah.
can't think of very many beam weapons from Gungeon except for the ice and fire one.
You know, there's a few ones that literally just are just like a beam. It's just a beam. I forget what they're called. I know there's the one that's like the demon head or whatever that shoots out like a red beam.
Yeah.
There's like a green one. But they're all like basically the same. It's just like a little beam that shoots out.
One of the beam weapons. Oh, this site kind of sucks. I do actually have to go to fandom. Fuck.
Arr.
I just like control F for beam. Yes. I can. There's actually quite a few beam weapons apparently.
Yeah.
Because beams are cool.
Another thing that we could consider doing is like how Genshin has some guns that when you like shoot them, the very last bullet like has like a bigger attack. Something like that, where like the last charge of the card like does something special, or like when the card is used, it does something. Like when the card is fully used.
Yeah. Okay, so let me take a look at the other abilities that I've done, and I think I will move off of that. So the first one, probably the most similar, will be either the yarn ball or like the pistol, which is not in here for some reason, because these are not the new abilities. New abilities is the one. Oh, hey, I already have these moved to their own folder for thrown abilities. Very cool. So this one is just a scene that expands from base ability, or from this gun ability, which is base ability. Base ability is the one that matters. Okay, cool. Right. Are all of these base abilities? Shit. Base throw ability extends base ability. Yes. Pull out weapon is a function that I don't believe actually gets called directly, right? So how does pistol ability work? So on ready, we reference these, reference that, and then call pull out weapon. This is the animation that pulls the weapon out. Cool. Dope. Okay, so this isn't called automatically. And then this is whenever we attack. We call Suker because of the use card. Okay, great. Position weapon is a common function that is used between just the sword. Weird. I don't know why that's not used on the pistol, but whatever. Okay, yeah, we'll do that. So, new abilities. I will do a new script, or a new scene, sorry. Called Laser Pointer Ability. Shit. Okay. And then you will have a new 2D visuals. You have a sprite 2D called Laser Pointer. Texture. Laser Pointer. And then I will move forward. And then I'll just give the space ability for now, because I don't think this actually needs to do anything. And then you haven't set up the card at all, have you?
The what?
The laser pointer card.
No. None of the
okay,
new
so
cards
it's
have anything. It's just the art.
Okay. So resource, we will add a card. And inside of this, it'll be called laser pointer. Oh, sorry, I guess I'm sticking with the naming convention. Card underscore laser underscore pointer. Laser pointer. Why is my... What is going on with this? Laser.
Hmm?
Whenever I hit... I don't know what's up with... Is this a keyboard thing? Is this a keyboard issue? Or is this a Godot issue? It's a Godot issue for sure. I can type laser pointer and find here. Is it because this is a tool script doing some weird shit? Val. Oh, I see. I see. I can probably actually replace this with a getter, potentially. Return card name dot capitalize, and then not have a setter on this, potentially. That needs to be reloaded, but whatever. I'll figure that out later. I just won't have that. Whatever. Okay. Insert card description here. The card description will be... Oh. Sorry, we're learning some things about my own code. It's null, we do that otherwise. What? Okay, sure. Yeah, okay, cool. Sure. Background texture. I actually don't remember what these are set up as because you made these changes. This is the card background and then the art and scene. Card scene. What is card scene?
Card scene?
This is the old ability, right? Yeah, this can actually be removed.
Yeah. That would actually be helpful if you could remove this, because I was trying to find them to fix some bugs on them. And I was like, wait, which one's the real one?
Yeah. Card background, laser pointer.png. Card scene, ability scene, new ability scene. Which I would just like to call ability scene eventually. Laser pointer ability. Yes. And then activate delay.
I'm actually really happy with how I set up the Gibbs for this. It makes it really easy for adding them.
3 charges. Ooh. Now we have a question about how charges will work for this. How are we going to have charges work for a continuous fire weapon?
It just has a lot of them, and every period of time it goes down by 1.
So what happens if they just tap left click?
It just uses 1 charge.
Just uses 1. Okay, so we'll say this is
so it has a minimum. It has to use at least 1 when you...
Okay, but we'll say this is the amount of seconds that you can hold it down for.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
yeah.
We'll say 8 seconds for now then. Mana cost would be the time, the mana per second or mana per tick.
Yeah.
I'll just make this 20 for now. Alright, well, 20 per tick is crazy. 5 per tick. Type is equipment. I actually don't know if type will matter that much anymore. Well, it will. Never mind. Damage. Also, just say it's 5. Parry, we'll say it's 2. For funsies. This has no modifiers, right? What were the card modifiers exactly? Did I add card modifiers to anything? No. Cooldown. You will not use a cooldown. Tag your damage. And...
Oh, look at that. That works perfectly.
That's fine. Nice. Okay, so we have our card, laser pointer ability.
That actually makes killing them so much more satisfying already.
And then if I go to deck, or card DB. Oh lord, I'm gonna fix this. I'm tired of downloading loads. All these coupons. const laser pointer. I would also like to, at some point, add some ability to just bulk load these, because then it could have like flags on whether or not it's something that should be used in the card DB or not. Let me test this again. Laser pointer. Random card. Is random card even used anywhere? It is not anymore. Well, no, it's not anymore. Let's find out if this works. Add cards. Laser pointer. Cool. Okay. Cool. Forgot to scale it by 4. Do you have shortcuts that you use in your Godot at all?
What do you mean?
Like, shortcuts that you use in Godot?
No.
No? Because I use like F1 is my 2D, and then F3 is my scripting scene. So, or my scripting tab, so I can like swap back and forth.
No, you should end up pushing random buttons for like 20 seconds, and I realized that I have to like press the script tab.
Okay. So the laser pointer looks a little weird in regards to the size of Dante.
Not really.
No?
I think it should just be backwards a little bit.
Should be backwards a little bit? Oh, like
move to the left a bit, yeah.
Yeah, Dante's the cat. Yes, sir.
Dante is the cat.
Dante's a cat. Laser pointer ability. So on ready, we would do pull out button. And on physics process, we would use position weapon, passing in visuals and passing in delta. Visuals is not a node currently, so we will have export bar visuals to be visuals.
Will there
And
be
I
a
think
tempura cat? I didn't actually think of whether I should add that to the game or not. Probably somewhere.
Okay. Add card. The laser pointer. Oh, does the pistol go away whenever you pull it out? Oh, it doesn't. Ooh, I didn't even think about that. The pistol doesn't shrink whenever you unequip it. Do you want it to?
Probably.
Like if you decide, because I think we asked this before. If you swap between cards, do you want it to just instantly disappear so it's like snappy?
That's okay. I
if
think
you
that's
just-
fine. You just unequip
specifically
it.
unequip, would you want it to go back
I
into
mean,
the...
I don't think it's really a big deal, because I'm like a whole lot of people are gonna be like unequipping it.
Yeah, that's true. So how do I have these visuals set up? Oh, this is the other one. Oh, 6.
Okay, I added Gibbs to the flying guys, you wanna see?
Here, sure, yeah. Let me play you on stream, and then we can take a look.
Okay, let me respawn the room enemies. How do I do that again?
Nice.
Oh, I don't know what the heck happened there. My game lagged. But yeah.
You killed the enemy at the same time as you being hit, so I think it was just like a lot of slowdown, so it looked like it froze.
Maybe. But yeah, basically it's like the wings, the body, and then like a few extra little bits for funsies, you know?
Yeah.
Do they actually spawn anywhere? Oh, they do. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, this is fucked up if I do this. That's mostly fine. I don't like that.
Yeah, I definitely think we need to optimize the game a little bit because it runs terribly when I try to stream. Or when I'm streaming. It's not like unplayable, but
Yeah, it's
wait,
pretty
where is?
level.
Oh, it's over here.
Okay. So
Wait, why does this?
I do have an issue now.
Am I going insane? Why is this saying
What?
this is?
What's up?
This saying it's up and to the left, but it's down here.
It might be
It's-
fucked up room exit stuff.
Yeah, I don't know. Ooh, also, I
Oh,
don't know.
wait, can you go back before you go in there? Can you? Was that room 2? Oh my
Wow.
god, I'm cooked. Oh my god, I'm
You're
cooked.
so good. Okay, there is one up there. There is one up there. Okay, I didn't realize.
Is there one up
Wow,
there?
I just
What?
disguised the exit so well that like I didn't even know there was one up there.
No. So there's an exit up there. These are both set to northwest. I thought I can push.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, so this should be set to southwest. Don't tell me all of the room updates have been killed again. Fuck, they have been. Okay, I'll have to. All the updates or all the room exits are broken again, unfortunately. And I'll need to fix that. I'll need to find out why it's doing that.
Oh, it's interesting.
Actually, I have no
Restarting the
idea why
game
it's
after
doing
you
that.
die actually works now. It like didn't work properly before.
Did it not? What?
It would, but it wouldn't like initialize any of the door exits or anything. I mean, I don't think I've tried it for a while because I just knew that it didn't work.
It's not ready. Update positioning. Under ready. We do update positioning. Why are you not being set to the keypad? Why are you not saving to disk? Room 1.tscn. Take a look at that. Oh shit! I'm sorry. I've still got Temporary vision on. Also, hello, Artem. Will there be a Temporary cat? Oh, you already answered that. Sorry. Maybe. Do you use world environment node? We do. World environment nodes are really helpful for that. Looking good, thank you. Is it from the Steam image? Is that the enemy from the Steam image?
Is what?
Let's see, Dante's 9. Let's take a look. Is that the enemy from the Steam image? Oh my god. It's the enemy from the Steam image. Look at him.
Yeah, because like 3 of them.
Oh shit, dude, hidden enemies. that don't
Whoa,
exist
you've
yet.
never seen those before because they don't exist.
Whoa, this is
I love that
massive.
screenshot because like you can't tell what's going on.
Yeah.
I need to add a trailer because the screenshots look cool, but I've had multiple people say it's like impossible to tell what's going on in the game
Yeah.
just from the
It definitely
screenshots.
is.
But I'd have to think a
Remember
trailer
this-
with the screenshots for context would definitely help. Oh, I also want to redraw the background parallax at some point. Make it a little bit more detailed.
Exits. ID?
Maybe I do that today.
Oh.
Maybe I don't do that
Motherfucker,
today.
You aren't saving that. Despite the fact that I just changed this, you aren't saving it. So if I go southwest and then save. No, you are saving it. You're just stupid. Why are you... Wait, what? Southwest is 0. Why are they all defaulting to northwest? I guess this...
Yeah, something's really weird. Because they're all, every single... is there a way to show all the rooms? How
Yes,
do you do that? 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Level generation's difficult, man. We're also using a set seed right now, I think.
Oh, we are? Okay. But also every single one of these ones that it's saying is the top left is like, I think to the bottom left, yeah.
Yeah, it's... Yeah, I know what's wrong with that. Well, I kind of know what's wrong with I'm gonna write that down on the list. What's going on the list? Is it just this to do general or quick notes? No. training
Also,
notes, no.
I'm trying to see.
Is it this to do? Is this the one that are... yeah.
It seems like
Door directions are broken.
when I finish a room, it sounds like every single door is making a sound.
Huh?
When I thought it was set up that only it just plays one sound for the entire room.
It should... Is it? Hold on.
Let me try one more time and see.
Because I'm fairly certain the doors don't play a sound.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
Yeah, it should be.
But
on
it
the room.
sounds like all of them are making a sound. Like I'm hearing multiple sounds at once.
Okay, I believe you. I just
Because it's the random
end room,
pitch, so I can like hear the difference between it.
Doors place. Yeah, I'll check this out. Let me pause the.
You could
and
always
I'll check
like,
this.
just do like a debug print for when that. Also, we still have the like demo end screen, which I guess
Yeah,
is
well-
fine if we make another demo. I actually am really happy with like the level design though. I like the rooms. They feel nice.
Minus room 7. Room 7's a little weird.
Which one's room 7? Is that like the big tall one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
where the enemies are below you.
Yeah, that
But I
one's
think
that
that
one is a
also
little
lends to
weird.
the fact that Okay, I think shooting this guy 3 more times.
It has. That's the one with 2 worms and 1 flying enemy, right?
Sorry, what?
I said that's the one with 2 worms and 1 flying enemy, right?
Yes.
I'm so cooked.
No, actually no. Sorry, there's no worms in that room.
There's no
It's
worms?
2 flying enemies.
There's a worm.
No, 3
There's-
flying enemies and a ground enemy.
Okay, maybe that's
You can
not the
also just go
room
to
that I
the
think it
room.
is. Which one is it?
No, 2 worms and a flying enemy. You're thinking about. I want to say room 6.
You said 7?
Yeah.
Does it have the room number on the map?
Nope.
Okay.
You can just shift RTP to room.
Oh yeah, you're so right. You're so right. Why is this?
Oh, we're so cooked.
You need to make these guys drop through platforms.
Yeah, I haven't made them
if
drop
they're-
flats. Yeah. I'm actually.
They used to do that beforehand.
Yep.
Now they don't.
Melee enemy to drop through flats.
Is it a room 7?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh
this
no,
one.
sorry, not room 7. Not room 7.
Yeah. Okay. So I was
Um,
right. This is the one with 2 worms and
wait,
the
what?
flying enemy.
Room 7. Yeah, you are right about that one. I'm thinking of room 5.
Room
Room
5.
5.
Room 5. Oh, this one. Yeah, this one is a little weird.
This one is very bad because of the verticality,
Yeah.
and I don't like it because
You
also with
don't
these
like
guys
it.
shooting down, if you enter from below, it's a big issue.
Yeah.
And
I
also,
don't know.
if you have cards, you can't see the guy that's below you.
Yeah. Well, that's just something we need to fix in general.
So we're using door open v2.wav. Oh, thank you for playing. I know what's wrong with that. Open? Can I not have this open up? And isn't there a way to like?
Hmm.
There's not like an advanced. I thought there was a way to pop this open to its own window and then play it. But whatever.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know why it's. It is definitely playing multiple times. Door open sound. Door open v2.wav. Are you being used anywhere else? Tutorial level stuff. That's fine. And room base. I'm gonna go ahead and. Boop. Door open sound. So we are playing this in one place, which is on end room. End room is called on when an enemy dies. If current enemy dies.
Oh, also, hi Nasitos. I don't think we acknowledged that you existed.
Sorry, I meant to respond, but he can't hear anything, so it's
Oh.
fine. But we have
awkward.
noticed the piercing issue, and it needs to be
Yeah,
taken down,
yeah.
though,
Biddy
actually.
needs to fix that.
Um,
I still am
issues.
thinking about maybe switching the guns to be projectiles, but I
It's
don't
fine.
know.
We can do that.
I
It's not
think
like
if
the
we
hardest
did
thing
that, we'd
ever.
have to give them more charges.
Maybe.
Because I feel like,
I mean, yes.
I'm trying to
yes,
think.
because
Yeah, with the hit scan, it's like really easy to hit your shots, which makes it feel like a lot more powerful. Which I feel like should be reserved for like lasers and things like that.
what was in my notepad right there? Okay, thank fuck. It was just laser pointer. I was a little worried.
I'm thinking.
because, yeah.
So this is the one with 2 worms and a flying enemy.
Yes, you are correct.
I think
just
this
had the
one
number fucked
could
up in my mind.
maybe use a little work. It's crazy that we just
Yeah.
memorize what the different rooms are.
Well, there's certain rooms that I memorize because they're very, very useful for a lot of my testing stuff.
I really like the invulnerability. It feels so nice. I don't know. All the new
Yeah.
effects. Oh, I accidentally pushed it up with there's currently on the health bar there are 3 shields that I added for like testing Yeah, then now they show up, but they don't do anything.
Yeah. Okay, it's important. Okay, this is not important. I mean, it's very important. It's
But
just
I can
not something
delete that, or you can delete it.
Mhm. Let's see.
What was I doing?
So in function shoot, we hit attack targets. We damage this. The health component empties, and so it dies, which calls on enemy died, which ends the room. And also, this is called because of on enemy died. On enemy died is being called from multiple places. Oh, okay, I see. I understand.
Yeah, I added 3 heart containers and 3 shield containers for testing on the health
I
bar,
see what's going on here.
which just
not
look weird, so you can delete them.
Or if not, current enemies dot as enemy return. Yeah, okay, so what was happening was I have 2 signals connected, which is whenever the enemy dies, it's connected to it, but it's also when the enemy exits the tree, it's connected. And so it does that. However, actually, I think I can actually perhaps double guard this via. So if we're not in combat, this will. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. We'll guard against this later. Don't worry. I love Rushroom. Oh, true. I love Stardew music so much. I love the cute little names that he gives to just random songs in the game. What is the easiest thing in the game to code or the fastest? Usually a projectile, to be honest. Projectile code is like pretty simple. Like, I mean, even this projectile is a little bit more. Is this one simple? This one should be okay. This one's a little bit more complex because there's a velocity curve involved. It's a little more complex because there's a velocity involved. But anyways, like simple projectiles are usually like pretty easy to do. Not this one though. Because it's usually just like a move in a direction, maybe apply gravity if there's a gravity, whatever, but... Okay, I think the double door thing should be fixed, by the way. Let's find out.
Did I explain to you how the gibs work? Now that I changed them? The gib changes.
Change about them?
Like how we spawn them now.
Okay, that's just one. It's not through the static function anymore?
No, I use a...
Oh, I see.
There's a gib spawner node, and then I give it a bunch of gib resources. So you can just throw in a sprite, and then it like auto-generates the... It pretty much auto-generates everything for you, and then you can tweak stuff if you want to. So like if I want to offset where it spawns, I just change the position. But pretty much everything else is set, so that way it'll automatically work by itself.
I see.
Which is quite nice.
Yeah. I do like that. I like that a lot. I was thinking about editor plugin stuff, by the way. I don't know if we ever want those. However, I've been doing some editor plugin stuff on the side here and there. For an unknown project.
Unknown project.
And you can actually add your own tabs over here or over here. Like you can add your own like next to the inspector node in history, and you can like set these to look however you want, as well as new tabs down here. So like it wouldn't be the most out of the question thing to have something like if you had something like that gib system, if you wanted to be able to like click a button to generate things or like do things like that where it just auto fills in things for you.
Okay.
It wouldn't be like the most terrible thing to create.
Honestly think the most useful thing that could be used for is making levels.
Yeah.
Because there's like so much stuff that I think I might want to do with level design, but I just don't know like how to with Godot.
Yeah.
Because a lot of
there
tile
could be like
stuff.
a tab down here next to the tile set tab, where you could like click this and it would pull up like a set of predefined like sizes of like debris, and you could place those in the level, and it would choose a random one.
Oh, interesting.
Which would be kind of cool.
Yeah, we still also need to figure out the thing with like tile gibs, because I really want to add those.
Yeah.
Soon.
Yeah. What were the tile? Oh yeah, because they were random. Yeah.
Yeah, because they were random, and then but it wouldn't save what the random was.
Yes. And I'm not 100% sure on what.
I can think some more about it too. If I think of anything, I don't know.
Yeah. It's a bit of an interesting one. Okay. What was I doing? So I wanted to add the laser pointer. We're going back to that now that I fixed a bug. Laser pointer ability. .tscn. So I want this whenever it shoots to shoot a laser out. Is this going to just be like a beam that fires into the nearest wall or like whatever direction you're pointing?
Yep.
Until it hits something.
Yep.
Will it have piercing?
No.
I don't think it should.
No, it shouldn't.
It's a laser.
Yeah, that's also another thing with the pistol. I really don't think it should have piercing.
Yeah. Fair enough.
So I kind of think it should be a projectile. I might
think
just
we can have
try
something
it.
like a
We can try
revolver
it.
that does the hit scan piercing.
Ooh, yeah.
Like a really strong one, like what we've got now, but it is a revolver, and then we could have.
Yeah,
like,
because also the pistol like
which is-
feels so slow for a pistol. Like it should,
Yeah, I
you should
think
be able
having
to
it be a
just like
revolver
pop,
with
pop,
a
pop,
different
pop, pop,
sound,
pop.
like a or something.
Yeah, like
a-
the
when you're
Half-Life
done, like, firing
revolver.
it. Ooh, that would actually be sick. Is the way that you know the pistol is done and ready to be used is you hear like the cock of the hammer,
Yeah.
which is actually kind of funny because most revolvers don't work like that. By the way, if you didn't know.
Yeah. It's like the what's it called? The R8 from
The R8 is like
Counter-Strike.
the
How it
most
has the
realistic
two.
revolver, which is insane.
It is. It's really funny.
It is very
Yeah.
funny.
Because you can shoot it in both
So-
ways. Or no.
You
Yeah.
you
kind
have
of.
to like hold down the hammer,
Yeah.
which is what makes it inaccurate.
You
but-
should be able to like pre-prime the hammer.
Yeah,
Like, why isn't there an option to do that? Probably because it would make it ridiculously overpowered.
because it's a pocket op already. Yeah.
It's actually insane because it also has a crazy movement accuracy. It has like almost 100% movement accuracy. Now I forget what I was doing because I was busy yapping about the R8.
Super attack should be called. Why is this not being called? Am I like stupid?
Yeah.
Excuse me. I'm like, I gotta be stupid or something. What am I doing wrong here? Do attack. Are you not called within this? Half-Life Revolver does go unbelievably hard. Current ability, do attack. Current ability is on cooldown. Is on cooldown is by default false, perhaps? I don't know. Well, no, that's not true. So you don't override that. You don't override that, but you're not printing anything? Am I stupid? You were watching someone play the other day and they wasted revolver ammo on the head crabs? Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
I still need to finish Half-Life 2.
You do.
And I need to
Ooh.
play Black Mesa.
This is true. Many things are true. Why is this not calling the thing that I'm expecting it to call? Anyone know? Anyone want to fix my code for me? Print. Laser pointer. Laser pointer. Okay. Dope. Base ability. Do attack. Is not being called. Is on cooldown. Print. Oh, center by left click. It's checking this every frame. Oh yeah, that makes sense, I guess. Well, no, it doesn't. That doesn't make any sense. Hmm. Player equipment. You should. Hmm. Let me think about this. So, if current ability and ability is on cooldown. So the only time that we would reach this is if we have either used the buffer for unequipping or we have done the buffer for attacking, correct? So I think after receiving the inputs, is there anything that moves here? Yes, this does. So these two can be moved to the same spot. Just a small optimization thing I'm going to do, which is that if neither the attack buffer nor the unequipped buffer are used, we should just return out because there's no chance of us doing anything else because we only care if attack buffer is possible or if buffer is possible. At which point this could be inside of here. No, it couldn't. Well, kind of. No, it couldn't. That's fine. That was a gun? What gun? What are you talking about? Oh,
I don't know.
this is the laser pointer. Whenever you pull the laser pointer out, it makes the little like sound.
Yeah.
Okay, so this shouldn't be calling this every frame anymore. Well, it is. There we go. So now we're done. So now it shouldn't call it whenever there's an input. Cool. Oh, okay. Now we're printing. Oh, was there an issue then? Weird. There was a bug.
We need to add bugs to the game.
Card instance is on a cooldown. Current cooldown is greater than 0. Or deck can cast self. That's weird that was happening, but I'm not entirely sure what was happening there.
Okay, I think all the enemies now have
Sure,
gibs.
together.
Or the like 3 enemies that we actually have implemented.
Okay, yeah, I didn't break this. What's something that has a long cooldown? Let me out 36, right?
So let's see, what if we...
Yeah. Yeah, that does have a lot of... Okay, cool.
What
Okay,
the...
laser pointer. You don't do anything. I'm gonna print
Oh, duh.
laser. But I know this is working. Also, sorry.
What the skibbity?
Cooper laser pointer. Yes, you're bad. Nimble. Bleh.
Bleh. Sorry.
Okay, so this should be printing out laser, so it does. Dope. Okay, so how do I want this to work? Do I want there to be an object, or do I want... How do I want it to render and do the actual attack? Actually, I don't know why I would make a different object. I would definitely just do this in here. Right? Yes. So how are we handling... I believe I have a hit scan handler, too. And this hit scan handler does what exactly? I like hate to say it, but like the more that I think about this hit scan handler thing that I'm doing here, the more I'm like, I could just use your original version of the...
Of just having a
ray
giant
test.
collision shape? Oh, or
Plus or
no.
minus a little bit, yeah.
It like
There's a
kind of
couple
works.
things that I don't like about it. So the problem
I don't know.
with what you have is there's no aim assist. So if you're on console,
Yeah,
it only shoots exactly in the direction.
Yeah.
Unless you were to expand the area.
I mean, what's wrong with yours?
What's wrong with mine? I mean, nothing really. It's just a little weird to use, and I don't 100% remember how to do it. It's not like...
Oh, I forgot we had the spider guy. I still need to figure out what he needs to do. he's supposed to do.
Oh yeah, I forgot to make the text not rotate. Oops.
It's
If
kind
you
of
want to
funny.
disable that rendering, you can do under debug utils. There is a boolean called
Okay.
debug text or something like that that you can disable. So let's get this a little bit early up now. 36. So you have what? Tracer functional. Okay. What is this shit? I don't know who's that exactly. Sorry, what is this? Why are you here? Shape.
This looks so chaotic.
Oh. Shape? Oh, for the bullets, I see. It does look really chaotic and cluttered on your screen. I'm gonna put this on the... all the text, yeah.
It's literally just from the flying guys. You wonder.
I wonder how infeasible it would be to add an outline accessibility option to make it easier to see things. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I wonder if that would be difficult to do. I have no clue. Holy shit, Toad's Factory on the Mario Kart Wii soundtrack. What the fuck?
Kinda goes crazy.
Yeah, no, that shit came in with that.
Oh, it just duplicated my card. Interesting.
Export group.
Oh, never mind, it didn't. I don't know. That was
Did you have
weird.
it equipped still?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Yeah. I hear Mario. Did the furry do it? What? I'm not putting Coconut Mall in the fucking playlist.
Please,
I'm so
come on.
sorry, but I'm not. It's not a fun song to listen to. The only reason that you like it is because it's part of the meme. It's a fine
It's
song.
actually a great song.
You mean me?
You're evil. Evil-litic.
Evil-litic. Fuck you.
Evil.
How am I doing this inside of here? I'm doing hit scan handler set range 280. That's a hard-coded value that I don't like.
Bro, yeah,
We're
that's
not doing Baby
100%
Park.
making.
Fuck off. I'm so sorry, but like, no.
At least at Coconut Mall, okay? We should play Mario Kart right now. I don't even have Mario Kart, but we should still play Mario Kart.
You don't have Mario Kart?
No,
You don't have Mario Kart. You don't have Mario Kart?
no.
What's wrong with you? Freak.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of insane.
Bitch.
I'm a freak like that. What can I say? Well, look at that. We got one more thing off the bug list.
You have
It's 8 o'clock already. What the heck?
this attack not new. I don't actually know what this does. Off the top of my head, does this do the attack for me? It does. Does it spawn? Oh, it returns furthest hitbox. Allegedly. Incorrect. I can tell you that.
Oh yeah, I wanted to add the UI stuff.
The soggy croissant seems grumpy today. Well, I'm the one that's being a grump, and I'm not a soggy croissant. I don't.
I'm not a soggy croissant.
If you looked at these two models and someone said one of those is a soggy croissant, which one are you gonna say is the soggy croissant?
I don't know.
You're lying if you say me. Just saying.
Yeah, that's fair. I need a new avatar.
True.
I also need more Dr. Pepper.
All right, bud.
I also got some monster at the store when I got my Dr. Pepper.
Whoa.
Got a 6-pack of the pink monsters. I got the mini cans though,
Monster.
because I'm a healthy boy. I don't drink big cans of monster.
Yeah. Okay.
Just kidding.
Does this have the ability to take the amount of piercing that it has? I guess it doesn't. Unfortunate.
Health bar. Okay.
Health bar.
Health
Need to make your
bar.
breading look a little more crispy, I think. Definitely. Your breading looks very soggy.
It does look kind of soggy.
Type soggy croissant into Google Images. Alright. Soggy croissant. What the fuck?
Hmm? Guh.
Why is it me? Why am I the soggy croissant, dude?
It's over.
Why am I the soggy croissant?
You're the soggy croissant now. It's over.
War.
You can do about it, I guess.
Oh shit. Raycast check is not a thing. Apparently you need to know about Raycast check. Why do you need to know about Raycast check? In what world would this not be just an export variable? Or why do you need to know about Raycast check? You don't. Do you? Raycast check. Mask equals terrain flags. Terrain flags is this up here. Okay, I see. To add it to the trade all you do. You should not, though. I think this guy should be in charge of setting up Raycast check. Unless you're not using Raycast check at all, are you? Oh, you are. You're reusing. Okay, I see. Yeah. I understand. So why are we doing that instead of just having this fucking note right here with a mask on it that just says, ground? And then I can tell this guy about that, and then I can say components at export var raycast check, and then I can say hit scan handler dot raycast check equals raycast check. And then you, I think, should be mostly fine. Did damage to myself there somehow. I didn't think that was possible. I don't know what I did to do that, but I did it. What? How do you not deal damage to yourself? How do you not deal damage to yourself, actually? What the hell? Wait, okay, so hold on. Attack, shoot. Does tracer handler hit cannon handler dot attack targets attack? In what world are you not? You. Terrain flags is 6. Yes. Mask is terrain flags. It's gonna handler raycast check is that. It's gonna handler. Oh, because I have this. I see. You need to be on. Not layer 1. You need to be on layer 2 for some reason, I guess. And also look for enemy hitboxes. Killed myself. Oops. Happens, I guess.
Happens.
You'll say something. How much does it cost to code a purple attack like Gojo? Oh lord. Oh no, we have a JJK fan in chat. That's fine. I read through all of JJK, and let me tell you that was a mistake. Okay, so this does do damage. So I can just have this. I could have this deal damage every few ticks. I guess tick is like a really way to say it, but export to var damage interval, which will be a float, which is like 0.1. And then we will say I'll have a timer node because I don't feel like delta timering this. Well, I feel like delta timering it actually. Oh, actually, this is a really good time for me to experiment with a new change, which is that I don't have a way to tell the attack that it's done attacking. I kind of just have it continuously attacking. You don't have a flag that says you are currently attacking, right? You don't. So we're going to add var attacking. There is, I'll just say attacking false. Do attack says attacking equals true. And then we will func end attack avoid attacking equals false. And then for you, this card is going to be very, very, very different from the other cards, and it's making me rethink a couple of systems. Or not full systems, just a couple of things about assumptions I had made about systems.
Thank you for the follow,
true.
Frostburnt.
Like... So when a card gets used, we have this activated signal that can be read from pretty much anywhere. Like, let's say you wanted a boss to be able to tell that a card was activated. For the laser pointer card, how would you want this to work? Would you want it so that every tick of the laser pointer counts as an activation? Or would you want it so that every click
Probably
counts as
just
an
the
activation?
first one.
And while you're holding it down, it doesn't reactivate?
No, it's actually interesting to think about.
Yeah, it definitely is. Because this is the first of our abilities that is a continuous fire while you're holding it down.
I think it should just be, it triggers it on the first. Like whenever you click.
Okay.
And if you hold it down the whole time, that's fine. And that would also make it like
That's
a
just
good
one activation.
Like counter against bosses, like if there is a boss like that.
So let me ask you something then, again. So is it the first time it's used ever, or is it like every single time?
Every single time you like stop
again?
and then click again.
Okay. We shall see. We shall see if that ends up being a good or bad idea, because I don't know, honestly. Just kind of trying to think of that.
I'm trying to figure out how do I align these properly? Actually, I think I have an idea.
He has an idea. Mr. Krabs. No.
Okay.
Can't say it. Can't say it. So this will have an attacking, it's true, and attack, we'll say that, and then... Sorry, I'm thinking about this a lot before I code anything else because
That's okay.
this would be really annoying to have to rewrite. But I think what I can do is I can do var current damage interval 0. And every tick I will do current. Well, if its damage interval is greater than 0. Oh, sorry. If attacking, if not attacking, return. And then we can do move fired. Current damage interval. Sorry. 20 over delta. Current damage interval. What's this? I don't know why I put a var there. This is already a declared variable. I also capitalized the D right there. If current damage interval is less than or equal to 0, we will do the actual move.
Mm-hmm.
We will do it with that. This won't do anything for now. And then every single time it does damage, we will also set this back to the damage interval.
Okay.
And
How the heck do I set the size of the mana bar? Because I'm trying to put it in the UI, in UI nodes, and it shrunk it down to do a tiny little thingy.
Set the custom minimum size on the y-axis to something.
Okay. That looks awful still.
Yeah, there needs to, shit. Yeah, that needs to be like scaled or something.
Yeah,
and it's
I
not
can't
going to
scale
work
it.
well until it's. Yeah. How are we doing it in the player currently?
It's just a node just floating by itself.
Yeah, this is like
It's not like anchored, or it's not like a
'cause
child
this
of
is
a
scaled
control.
up by
Yeah.
4.
Yeah.
I
I mean,
do parent containers respect scaling? I wonder. Oh, you can't scale inside of a parent container, right? Can you?
I think you can.
Oh shit, sorry, wrong node. This one is set to 4 times scale. But this doesn't. Oh yeah, this doesn't like know that this is the child. I guess this is a base container, and I should be just using that, right? Yeah. Like probably like a center container. It doesn't allow you to just scale that node, right? This guy can't say he's 4 times scale. No.
Yeah, no. Let me look at it here. Can I just scale this? That won't work. Can I scale one of these?
This is a very good question, actually, because I don't really know. As I'm sitting here thinking about it, because it needs to be scaled up by 4, obviously. Yeah, I would say good luck on that one, and I'll come back in a second. But,
Okay.
oh, sorry. Hi, before coding, can you set tile map or no? Yes, you can. Yeah, you can do tile map stuff without any code. So what is this marker? There's a marker right there, and I don't know what it is. Back to this. So damage interval, current damage interval, that. This should just do something. Is it good? Yeah, I don't know. We'll find out. I think this will just absolutely melt through everything because it's not currently. Yeah, it does melt just through everything. It's very fun to use, I'll be honest. But
Wait, can I see?
yeah, in just a
Okay.
second. Yeah.
I want to see it now. Okay. I see how it is.
And then I can say attack damage, attack Attack damage is equal to card instance dot damage divided by damage interval. Attack damage is not declared. You're so right. Attack damage, you moron. Oh shit. Oh sorry, time damage interval. Wow. Cool. Why does it instantly do an attack that does full damage?
Yeah, I have no idea what to do about this, to be honest. Because I can scale the individual objects in it. Oh, that does kind of look crazy. But then the actual size of the UI is smaller than like what it looks like, so it doesn't work with like the containers and stuff.
Yeah, I'm trying to think about what you could do. Give me a moment and I can maybe come up with something. I mean, I have an answer that I know is not the correct one. Have you considered... Wait. Can you... Actually, I can look at this in the player scene because you pushed this up. It's under... Is it health bar? Is this what this is? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and you can't do that because of that. I see. I scale that up and then tell you, no, you're not gonna work. Are you? Fuck. Sounds like you could scale the entire thing up and then have the whatever, but that would break the anchors because I couldn't just say full anchors.
Yeah.
Yeah, scaling up UI is annoying. Believe it or not. Which is why we don't typically do it. So what you technically we could use some viewports to do this. Where we have a sub viewport like so. I think.
Does changing like the custom minimum of the things itself? No, that wouldn't help.
Oh, this doesn't. Never mind. This doesn't use the entire size of this. Okay, never mind.
Oh, and
yeah,
changing the custom minimum wouldn't help because it's a 9-touch rect, so it would just scale with the.
Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, this is a bit of a conundrum, isn't it? I don't think that you could use a texture for this. Because like an Atlas texture wouldn't let you zoom in on it. Yeah, I don't... You could export it at a 4x scale or a 3x or whatever the scale is that we use. You could export the actual...
Or yeah, like the textures.
Yeah, the texture, which feels like shit, but...
That's not bad, to be honest.
Because everything is scaled. Let me just add in a tracer handler. So that you...
I think I'll just do that. It's probably gonna be the easiest.
Okay.
I'll keep them separate so we know.
Yeah, like add it to a folder wherever it's at called like 4x or something like that.
Yeah.
Or, I don't know. Sorry, we should write down, by the way, what scales we use for everything. since it seems like we're just gonna have to go forward using that. Let's return to hitbox. That. Oh shit, that's why it does that. I see. If it's box. Direction. Is direction actually a direction? It is.
Yeah, sure.
Oh
Probably.
no, hit position. Oh no, shit. Sorry. Hit position is hitbox dot global position. Okay, new question. For me specifically, why in the fuck does this have a direction being passed in? Plus direction times hit. Oh, I see. I see what this is doing. Factor 2 dot right dot, or I guess it would just be controls dot aim direction, and then offset would be nothing. Yes. Hi, dude. Hello. Hello. Hi. How's it going? So let me make sure that this should be 0 near the wall, and it's not. Oh, because I'm only doing that. No. Shit. Oh, var hit pause. Vector 2. Dot 0 if hitbox hit pause is equal to hitbox global. There we go. How the fuck is it already 8:30?
So real.
Okay, so that's not doing anything. Does this not return the hit pause? Oh, I guess this doesn't. Does it? Shit. Hit range is equal to 1,000 or something.
Oh, I'm gonna have to
There
change
we
the
go.
regions for all
Oh,
these.
wow.
Don't I?
Oops, that does a lot. It's very cool looking, but it's not particularly what it's supposed to be doing.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's fine. So snap back to reality. Player equipment. So if I would like to take a look at this, I need to maybe perhaps split these out into a few different things, but if we have attack cooldown, we're returning. This is not the case anymore, I don't think. Wait, no, this is like totally not the case. What the fuck? Because I'm trying to... If attack cooldown is greater than 0, return. Wrong. Attack cooldown is what? Attack cooldown I think is just for the melee hit, right? Yeah, no. No, attack cooldown is also... Attack cooldown is not particularly well defined. If there's a current ability and it's on cooldown, or, well, yeah, or attack cooldown is greater than 0. At this point, we can safely exit. Well, actually, no, sorry, that should be here as well. If not, if attack is on cooldown, equip buffer. Okay, we can unequip. Otherwise, the attack cooldown is that fine. Which means we now need to add.
There we go. That wasn't actually too
If
bad.
Current
I think it should work now.
dot attacking. So if we are currently attacking and we have just released the standard attack.
The old mana bar looks so funny. Mess some up with it. Oh, something is messed up with the new one as well.
That's right. Current ability and ability. Sorry. Let me. Hi, dude. Can we make a game together? I have real project and I have finished like 90% of it. 2D game like Apple Knight 2 and Dead Cells. Can you help me in my project? Bro, where are you? Hello. I don't like you. I'm sorry. I'm gonna... Goodbye. I don't like the way you're talking. I don't like that.
86,000 seconds.
Yeah.
I think you
help me,
Northern
bro,
Lion
where
right
are
now.
you? I know what you're doing. Get out of here.
Bro
with
thinks
that.
he's Northern Lion.
Kill his ass. Yeah, like, beg for your life in chat. We're not doing that around here. I'm sorry, man. Have a real conversation. Don't ask me to do your game for you. What did he say it was? Sorry, he said there was a game that it was like Apple Knight 2. What is Apple Knight 2? Apple Knight 2 is a crazy one to mention before Dead Cells, by the way. I just want to say. Just say Apple Knight 2 and Dead Cells and not Dead Cells and Apple Knight. Like, I don't know, man. Put some respect on Dead Cells.
What the heck is
I don't know what
Apple
the fuck
Knight?
Not that Apple Knight is necessarily a bad game. I don't know if it is. But Dead Cells is definitely the more known one. Game doesn't look terrible. Game looks okay. Apple Knight 2 is the first mention is insane though. So if the attack cooldown is yes, we will return. If we do this, we release this and we say that you're done and not attacking anymore. Which means that I see. I also need to make sure if there's a current ability and it's on cooldown. Sorry, I need to size this, I think. So if we have a current ability and it's on cooldown, or if we have an attack cooldown, or current ability dot is or dot attacking. Because I think at this point we would want to be able to click again. Mayhaps is my thought. Yeah. So if we have an ability and either it's on cooldown or it's currently attacking, we shouldn't do any more attack stuff. And then if the attack cooldown is greater than 0, we shouldn't do anything either. Let's find out if that works. Because hopefully it does. Something so funny about killed his ass. Let's see, laser pointer. If I let go, oh, that works. Oh, that works. It's not draining mana. Okay. Current damage interval. I would like to... Let's see... VAR accumulated usage time is 0. So whenever you hit the attack button, it does this. Oh, sorry. Where's do attack? Is do attack not in here? Oh yeah, because it doesn't do anything. I didn't remember. Funk do attack. Void super current or accumulated damage usage time is 0, so we're going to start back at 0 and And then every time this ticks, we will move this forward. I guess I could also just put delta in here, and every time it ticks over a second, mayhaps. I think that's fine. Say accumulated usage time is equal to, or plus equals delta. If it's greater than or equal to 1 second, we will count this as using some of the mana, mayhaps. At which point, do I have the ability to have this use mana? I guess it does. It has card instance, right? Well, that's not exactly. Can card instance, what do you do exactly? Do you have anything about mana in here? Mana cost. Calculate sticker upgrades. Okay, cool. You don't actually have the ability to decrement any mana, which is a little annoying, but that's fine. Do I want... Let's see. So I've got a couple ways I could do this. I could say deck dot or player data dot deck dot mana. Remove mana. So I could have it just use this and say card instance dot mana cost directly inside of the ability, which isn't the worst thing ever. Because then this wouldn't go through any sort of other API. But if I want to use this elsewhere, that might be a problem. We'll see. Yeah, it does look kind of good. It's just, it was really fucking funny that they said Apple Knight first instead of Dead Cells first. It's like, imagine I came into someone's stream and I was like, yo dog, I've got a top-down roguelike with guns similar to Void Igo and Enter the Gungeon. It's like, you're going to focus on the fact that I said Void Igo first and not Enter the Gungeon because you've never heard of Void Igo. Probably. It's just kind of funny to me. I don't know. Also, accumulated usage time minus equals 1. And then I would also... Oh, shit. Well, no. All right, I know what I'm doing. Card instance.use. I'm going to do this for now. Yeah. So maybe this gets used every second. Seems very, very slow. My latest victim. Don't call them a victim. They're not a victim. They came in here and they just said, yo dog, help me on my project. Bro, where are you? They're not a victim. Probably.
Trinsid says they love cat games. That's good because we're making a cat game.
Love cat games. This is true.
Although currently I am angrily trying to make UI work. Which is not
our
fun.
mana set to... Is our mana afloat? Sorry, what'd you say?
I said I'm angrily trying to
Oh,
make
I see what you're
this
doing.
to work. Yeah, well, I hate UI. I don't know what's going on.
What are you trying to do?
This is big now. I want to add an icon on the end of it, but now it's big.
Okay, so click on that. Yeah, go to the bar, the big bar.
The bar.
That's
Yeah.
not supposed to be big. Container sizing. Container sizing. Change your vertical to shrink center.
Yes. There we go.
There you go.
And this we can make the separation negative so they overlap. And you move you up. Oh, maybe? Okay. You can try that. This isn't perfect, but it...
What if...
It gets the idea across.
Player data dot deck dot...
Let's see how this looks.
Mana... remove mana...
Need to know one thing. What is that one thing that you need to know? There we go. How does this look, Foodie? Some of the alignments are a little off, but...
Yeah, it's fine. I like it.
And it works with the mana. Actually, doesn't have the number. Actually, neither of them have the number. That's
Yeah, 'cause the
weird.
number's a separate thing.
Before I say the one thing that looks great, thank you. I am an artist, so I would hope so.
Wow, that guy's like, yeah, it's only natural that the game looks good because of me. Like, okay, dog.
Yeah. I mean, if
I
you
know.
made it, like, I'm joking.
Boy.
I'm joking.
What
I mean,
the fuck?
I'm not wrong, but I'm joking. Oh, it does have the number. It does have the number.
Where's
It's
the-
just very, very small.
Oh. Cool.
The number in question. Oop. Oop. I don't know how this works. Whatever. But yeah, number. It's there. It's tiny. Let's see if we can
Okay,
fix that.
maybe 5 mana a second was a very low estimation for how much this card should cost to use, because that's not a lot, considering you regen quite a bit more than that. Let's make it 15. Well, that's
You know, what if we like actually align things properly and use like a
gross,
V-Bucks
you.
container and
Yuck,
put
yuck, 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 yuck. I kind of actually like the way that's
Under
doing that. I
control.
won't lie.
the way what that's are you doing stuff on your screen?
Yep.
Oh, looks kind of cool.
There's like a tick. There's also, so it's not actually supposed to be doing that, but it just accidentally happened, and it's still pretty cool. Because it's supposed to be like a drain like that, where it's like a continuous drain while you
Mhm.
use it. Obviously, it's not taking away from that, but
Yeah.
well, it's just gonna keep doing that, and then we're gonna hit 0, and it's gonna keep going because I haven't implemented the
That's cool.
stop using that fucker rule. But
Do you need a musician that you don't have to pay for, please? Me. I don't. Probably not, but I mean, if you want to join the Discord and send me some of your stuff, I'll check it out.
if you want to join
No
if you want to join the
promises.
Discord and do free work,
No promises that I'll use it, but I'll totally check it out. I am a musician myself, so I do write the music for it currently, but I'm totally
Oh.
opening to using
Oh my
stuff if it's
God.
free.
I know what I'm doing. I know what's
We
wrong. I know
love
what's
free
wrong.
work.
There's something that's felt kind of wrong, which is
No, I'll check it out even if it's awful.
this progress mask.
Or if it's great, I will also check it out.
This bastard ass progress mask needs to fix itself.
Ooh,
before it-
what did I just do? I thought that was gonna solve all my problems.
I would
it's
kind of
'cause
love
the
for this
size here.
queen, which would be really, really cool, but I guess it's not going to do that.
What if we Kaiser says, I'm kind of an artist. Okay. Okay, bro.
Yeah,
Alright.
you could say I'm an artist.
Okay.
I mean, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, buddy. Wrap it up.
And then I will do what? I will check if ever.
Does that work?
If I guess this would only happen. Well, if
My music goes boom boom wee wee boom boom near. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, same. Kind of fire.
So if we can't cast the card instance, we will call end attack and turn. Which is not going to be an issue anytime soon because this thing does not cost nearly enough mana for me to. Oh well, there we go. We've ran out of casting. So when this comes back, I will do that, and it never even shoots. And it's supposed to shoot a single time. Well. Hmm. Okay, I kind of like the way that feels, but there's a couple of things about it I don't really like that much. So if I spawn in a dummy, so that feels really good. I do wish this said like 1, which makes me think that number is not being rounded up the way it should be. Image number FD. I need you, buddy, to sealing this.
What node
There we
type is
go.
this? Oh, it is a progress
Range?
bar. Range?
No, it's a range.
It's a range. Okay.
It's what progress bar inherits from. So progress bar is a custom class.
Because the problem is, I mean, this is a control, right?
Yeah.
Why is it
What are you
not
trying to-
like sizing properly? Like, why is it saying
Which part?
it's not size? It's like tiny.
Oh,
Why is it like this? Shouldn't it be the
should-
size of the entire thing?
Yeah, so you should be sizing. Well, oh, because it's not a container. And,
Yeah.
Yeah. I see what you mean.
So like over
I can see if
here,
I can add that. Yeah.
it's like all weird. I'll let you deal with this because we also need to figure out like what the scale of the UI is compared to like how much mana you have, because right now it's literally just like random numbers in terms of sizing.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna put that on the to-do list. Because I would like to go back and revisit that UI.
Yeah.
At some point.
Okay.
Revisit.
But I am kind
progress
of happy with how
bar.
this looks though.
Make more generic.
It's a little
Make easy to scale.
offset, but
UI. Mana bar should have equal value parts. And then also copy container behavior to keep
oh, the sizing on this is weird too. Oh, it's because I changed the changed it?
There's no way
No,
that's how
it's-
children is spelled. I guess it is. It looks weird in this font. Does it look fine in Godot's font? It does. It's just because it's a sans serif font.
We're so funny.
I love being regular. I love being regular. I love being regular.
It's small.
Oh. Well,
Oh, I accidentally did it funny.
it's got a good personality, right?
Okay. Right now it's not.
Mhm.
Arr, I hate UI. Why did you make it so weird?
I didn't make it weird. What are you trying to do?
That's not going to change anything. Don't worry about it.
I won't. I'm busy doing cool stuff over here.
There we go. That should be
laser
8.
pointer.
That's why.
I should actually change this laser pointer now. Now that I'm thinking about it. Let's see. Because right now what I'm doing is I'm checking to see if you're still holding down left click for the entire time, whereas I think at a minimum you should get a second full of laser shots. So I can do that, perhaps. Like until accumulated usage time gets
The main
over
character,
a
or
certain
can
percent.
you customize your cat? Yeah, I think we will have multiple cats at some point.
Correct.
Right now it's
Ideally.
just one though.
Our first initial attack or initial fire. This false whenever we attack with this initial fire equals true. This we can see.
So actually, wait, if we change the custom minimum size of this, or actually that's just this. Okay, that does change the size. So for now, I can actually just make this be the size of this, even though it's not quite accurate. Is the label stop?
Ah, shit. Whoa. Well, I guess this doesn't really matter, right? This could be done anywhere. This could be done up here.
Does that not make a difference? Hello?
We're attacking. This does this. Although if we're not attacking, well, man. If not attacking, or we're in the initial fire period.
Wait, do I have to? No. No.
What are you trying to do? Never mind.
Was it dead?
You got it.
Yeah, I think that's
Sanscudo.
it.
Sanscudo? Sanscudo.
Nope, that's not it. Oh, wait. Oh. No? Hello?
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to change the custom minimum size so that way it works properly with the... So see here I have it set so it's like the size of this. But then in here it's not that size.
It's the same size, no?
No, because it's not including the label and its size.
Can you... Well, hold on. Can you go back to the other scene real quick?
Oh, well here
Yeah,
the
that's
size is
correct.
47.
Right?
Oh, it's
Yeah,
just
that's
that
the
the...
correct-
There we go. There we go.
Yeah,
oh,
it's
that's
correct.
weird now. Oh, because the now this isn't included.
Because you have it moved to the left.
Yeah. So now... I hate UI. Why is this so bad? Send a song I've been working on Discord. Gotta go for now. Really love vibes of the game. I'll be keeping in touch. Yeah, for sure. I'll check it out. Okay, now what the...
What?
I just don't know. What do I do?
I would say don't worry about it too much.
Yeah.
Get it to a point where it like works fine. And
Yeah,
then
I just want it to work.
I need to make some fixes. What are you trying to do exactly?
I want the icon to be up there.
Okay, but you want...
I guess I could make the icon part of this.
You
But that would be...
can you go back to the scene
Actually,
that you were
wait,
just in?
wait. I have an idea.
Waiting.
Also, this is weird where the size of this is like half. I don't know.
It's because you're using it in a way I didn't expect you to. And also...
It's designed
yeah, there's
really
just some-
badly. Like, why? Huh? I don't know. Yeah, I'll let you figure it out.
Yeah.
Just
need
like
to
make
fix
it
things about
normal
that.
next time.
It's... Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Yeah.
So for the first second, I would like it to just attack normally. So I guess... I guess I could put this up here or something. Right? Or... Let me think about this for a moment. So...
Just gonna add a margin container for right now, so I can at least like make it go where I want it to. No, that's not right at all.
So if it's not attacking or this,
Evil margin container.
we'd like to do end attack. Although end attack is probably not
Oh, wait.
correct there.
The margin container. Oh,
So if we can't cast it anymore, we should end the attack. However,
there we go.
that's if we're not in the initial burst. So if not initial fire, we will do these two checks. Otherwise, we will just go through. We will do the delta, damage interval, shoot laser, accumulated time. If this is ever over a second, if we are at the initial fire, then we will say this is equal to false. Yes. So when it attacks, we fire. I think that should just work. Hello, Sam. How's it going? How you doing?
Hello, Sam.
I'm doing good. JW's over there fighting with the UI that I made.
This guy sucks at making UI.
This is true. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So you get at least one guaranteed. Oh, well, except for that. You get one guaranteed use of the card out of every cast, and then you can continue using afterwards.
So are you planning to always have it be like individual bursts like that? Like I
not
feel like it should be
particularly.
one constant laser. Okay. I
Yeah.
was just checking.
So the damage interval will be applied, I think, every 1/10 of a second.
Yeah.
I would
The
imagine.
damage can be like an
But, like,
interval,
the
but like the
actual,
visual
like-
should be like just a big beam that like yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I was just making sure that like you weren't being an evil
No, I mean, like, I
fake
could
artist,
well,
programmer,
but
programmer.
fake programmer.
Do not call me a fake programmer.
No, that's not what I said.
He thinks I'm a fake programmer, guys. It's so fucked up. Fake programmer, fake programmer, fake programmer. Funk position weapon. We'll pass in. What are you taking exactly? Current signature is position. Takes in a node 2D, which is visuals. Node 2D. And float is delta. Yes. Because visuals is something that I have. Yeah. Super P visuals and delta. Okay. So I also would like to.
Okay, whatever. That's close enough. I think. Let's see.
I wonder if I want to do a raycast. Well, a raycast every frame feels like it would be fucking terrible, but maybe we do that. Check raycast. Get raycast.
I think it looks
Precision into the-
decent. The only other thing I'm thinking
Okay.
is I think we'll. I think we'd want to make the mana bar like scale pretty small, so that way if we do have it in the top left, it doesn't like stretch halfway across your screen if you have a lot of mana.
Yeah,
Like I think
yeah.
this size here should be like a lot of mana. Like it shouldn't get much bigger than this at like a really good run.
Wait. There's no way Godot just lets me do this, right? Oh no! You can just have a trailing comma?
That's kind of fire.
There's nothing there. If I put something there, that fails. Too many arguments, but if I just leave just the trailing comma, it's happy with that? No, fuck that. You're gross. Knock that off.
That's kind of fire.
That's not fire, that's gross. Var hit is that hit not. Well, I guess it would be times 1,000. Global plus that. Hit dot. Fuck. You return exactly. You return the intersect ray collider normal position. If hit hit position is
That's so weird. It's definitely playing the door sound multiple times, and in this room it only has one door. So it's definitely not based on how many doors there
I know
are.
what it is. I fixed it
Oh,
already.
you fixed it already. Okay, yeah, never mind.
Yeah. Yeah, it was it's because there was a signal for when the enemy died, and there was also a signal for when the enemy left the tree, and both of them were triggered.
Okay, yeah.
Play the door sound function.
Okay. I think having the mana in the top left is probably gonna be better because it's really not something that you need to like pay attention to all that closely. Like it's kind of
Yeah.
like health, where like when it gets low it matters, but like that's really the only time.
I agree.
Because like once you run out, it's like okay, now I should go run someplace else. But the cards will tell you if you can't use them, so I think it's fine. And then I know you said something about maybe having mana pickups, so I don't know if that's something you want to add.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to play around with the balance to figure out if that's something we do care about.
Yeah. Or maybe you can get like a relic or something that will cause enemies to drop mana. Or something
Yeah.
like that.
He's drawing lines again. No. Someone stop him before he draws another fucking line. Oh wait, no, this is based on position, right? So it'd be... This isn't in global coordinates, right? I wish it would tell me. I don't think it's global. I think it's local space. So vector 2.0 and then to the laser cause at, we'll call you red. And then you will be like 5 width. That's, although queuing for redraw every frame is like kind of gross, but like whatever, I guess. Uh-oh. I see something nefarious happening.
Hmm?
I see something very nefarious happening.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
And that would be...
You're bored, aren't you?
No, I was
run out of
just
things
like
to do.
thinking. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing.
Oh.
I promise
Oh.
I will do things. I'm a productive
Ooh.
artist.
Hmm.
The list of...
Oh, I know what is wrong. Yeah, I know what's wrong. I got it. We got there. Kinda, not really. Well, actually, do we? What does this do? Does this rotate? I thought that the visuals rotated, not the actual node. I guess it makes sense to the code, right? Hold on. Position button. Visual scale, rotation equals fast. Okay, I see. Yeah. So you do actually rotate. What if instead...
Celeste soundtrack does kind of go crazy.
What soundtrack does?
Celeste.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Laser hit. Laser hit distance, mayhaps? Oh, well, I guess you know what? To do things that would be a little bit easier. What if instead of doing this drawing in here, I made a laser node for specifically rendering the laser. Laser visual. Give it a script.
I guess I can.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you in VFX. I'm so sorry. Okay, there we go. You need to be top level. So if I'm ready, top level. Level. That's 0. Draw. You will. Are enabled. Do we have? We're not getting enabled flags in Godot, right? I don't think.
I don't know.
We're not getting a flag that shows whether or not something's enabled or disabled like Unity has, right?
No clue.
I hope not. If we do, I'll have to rename this variable. That's like the end of the world, I think. Okay, this does nothing right now. However, I would like for you to be a class named
laser visual.
Excuse me.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. This tea is very good though. You so will not be doing that at all. In fact, Tracer Handler, you're gone. Not even a root beer. It's the tea.
Root
The tea that I
beer.
have is very, very good. Gaming. Hello. Hello, hello.
Hello.
How y'all doing? I am doing visual effect stuff, and it's kind of going. Not really, but I can tell this what I can say. Laser visual dot hit pause is equal to hit pause. You don't currently have that, so hit pause is a vector.
We should just play Rivals
Factor?
instead of working
Factor.
right now.
Why am I typing factor? What'd you say?
So we should play Rivals instead of working right now.
Whoa, that's crazy. Expert
Actually, not that crazy.
Laser visual. Justify why we would be playing Rivals.
Because it's fun.
Okay, it would just because it's fun, not because it like helps the game with anything.
No. I mean, it'll like
Okay, fair enough.
give us motivation to work more, you know?
My artist sounds bored. Yeah, I think my artist is
No,
bored.
I'm not.
You haven't
I'm
been
not.
seeing
I'm
this.
not bored. It's okay.
You haven't been seeing this because you've been watching my stream and not his. He's actually just over there doing nothing. Right
That
now.
is not true at all. I'm attempting to draw a door and struggling. There's supposed to be like a little shop icon and it looks awful. Like actually gonna like explode.
Wait, what's supposed to be the little shop icon?
This.
That?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was. Hold up, I'm gonna put this on the screen.
Yes, I know. It looks like a lock. It looks like a lock.
Yeah, I was gonna say it looks like a lock. Oh, sorry.
I don't know how to make it look like a shop.
I haven't watched this channel in a while. What game are you working on? I am working with my friend Tim Perica here.
Yeah, we're making
on the game we
Fortnite.
worked on for
Epic hired us to like design some new systems, so.
NDA.
Oh yeah, I forgot about
I'm
that.
just kidding.
It's
I'm just-
fine.
No, he's been working on a roguelike for about a year and some change, and so I joined him a couple months back, and I am the programmer on it.
It's called Fortnite.
He's over here drawing a lock on a door, as you
Oh,
can see.
we're restarting.
I took it off the screen. It's fine.
Okay. Looks so bad. What's a
I-
good shop icon? Pinterest save me.
A coin, a dollar sign. I don't know, man. Just not whatever that was. What was that? Was that supposed to be like a shopping bag? Like a tote?
Yeah.
I see. Well, at least I figured out what that was supposed to be, so that's pretty cool. Tryline from get parents to global position and to hit pause and color is red. 5 width, and you will say, yeah, sure, dude, you can be anti-aliased, whatever you fucking say, I don't care. And then this should only be visible if we are attacking. Yes. Yes. So if attacking, or I guess I can say.
Biddy, what if for like the forge, instead of having to pay for every thing that you used, you just had to like buy a door to open it, or like use a key to open it. I guess maybe that would still have the same issue, but I don't know.
So you're saying, so the forge is in a room that is locked that you have to unlock, or it's inside of the room that it's in like a box and you have to unlock it?
No, like the entrance into the room would have like a lock on the door. Like there'd be like a locked door to get into that room.
I see.
Because I don't think we should have locked doors.
Yes, we should have locked doors. That's every roguelike's design. I don't... Initially, I'm like, I don't like that idea. I don't know why. I don't like that idea, though.
It's okay.
Why is that not doing damage to that? Oh, I guess I know what I'm doing wrong. Shoot laser is called, which does this, and we will just... Okay, man. Here you go, dog. Oh, that does not look very... Ooh. Oh, I know what's happening. If it bugs, this should be the case. Oh, shit. It pauses. Yeah, you're right. You guys working on a game for a game jam? No, this is a long-term game that he's been working on for over a year, and I joined a few months ago. Big fan. Mostly.
Mostly. I
I
personally hate it, but yeah. Just kidding. That was a joke. I like this game. It's a wonderful game. Sometimes.
Oh, I know what this is.
Hmm?
I should make this collide with... I should make this collide with enemies as well, I think, mayhaps. See what that does. I think this is going to make it not do damage. Oh no, it still does damage. Oh no. Oh, because I need to reload this. Let's see. Maybe Nacho likes gaudy neon signs would go with the whole boombox thing. Maybe? I'm not sure though.
That actually would be kind of cool, yeah.
Okay. Nacho likes gaudy neon signs apparently.
Actually, don't know what
This
gaudy
is-
means, but okay. But like neon signs, yeah.
Very standout, like maybe cheesy, kinda similar. For the shop door, yeah.
Over the shop door, yeah.
Yeah. So does this not hit me? Oh, because this only collides with bodies, which means that I can tell you. Yeah. I got it. I can say. Oh, I need to tell this that it can, in fact, include areas. Include areas. Boolean. Where's a bool? Oh, it is. It's false. And then I can tell the query dot collide with areas equals include areas. It's false. And then I need to tell this. I want you to collide with areas, specifically on that one. Okay, and that looks like what exactly? Okay, that's not terrible. I mean, it could use some VFX, obviously, but it's not like the worst thing in the world. It's very, very kind of annoying to land, though, to be honest.
What do you mean?
It's very... You kind of have to track it if you're moving around a lot.
Does it like lerp to the position?
The visual does. I don't believe the actual...
Yeah, I would make the actual thing like a little bit snappy, or like both a little bit snappier, or
Mhm.
the attack part a little bit snappier. Because it feels like a little laggy, and I feel like that would probably throw off your aim a bit.
That's true. It probably should just be like insta snap. Yeah. So the actual attack does not like it. Well, I gotta wait for the timing to end. It should just. I don't know.
Yeah, I think that might be the issue that you're having, is it's like not snappy.
So how are we doing that in here? Precision weapon. Using this shit. What if I were to? What if I were
Maybe a
to
little
do this
lock
at 1.0?
door.
Oh, lock door. Okay, yeah, that matches like the mouse exactly. That does actually feel a lot better.
Yeah, I mean, you could even give it like a little tiny bit of smoothing, but it should be.
No, I think for
pretty
something like
snapping.
this is fine to just
Okay.
like. At least I think that's pretty damn good.
Okey.
Curious about slow motion. No, this isn't slow motion. It's still. Where attack is. Yes, it's still. Kind of like shows you how fast Dante moves. That even in 1/10 the speed of the game moving, Dante like kind of is just a fast motherfucker.
Yeah, I think we should lower the base movement speed and then have like upgrades for movement speed, like items that could give you higher movement speed, because it is a little bit insane.
Yeah, I will say messing with things like that could be very, very, very scary, especially with how. I mean, I guess we haven't done like a whole lot of level design.
Yeah, we really haven't. I mean, most of those levels we probably won't end up using. Maybe.
What if I just
I
get
don't know.
half the movement speed of everything?
Everything? Oh, I see.
Like acceleration and deceleration.
Yeah, that's.
Oh, he's so slow.
Yeah, let's not do that.
I wouldn't change the acceleration at all. I just change the speed.
That doesn't actually feel that bad, I'll be honest. Like movement speed like that.
Yeah, I mean, maybe we
is,
just
like,
play with that for a bit, and if it feels good, we can try it.
Like if I go back to base max speed of 800. It's not super different, but like aiming around and like hitting things and everything moving feels like very
Yeah.
weird. It's down to 600. I mean, it still feels a little weird because I think the camera needs a little bit of work. Who
Yeah.
knows? Mhm. It definitely feels like it's a little easier to kind of like position yourself. I mean, obviously it is. I wonder what it feels like to run away from like a couple of these guys. Is it like hard? Is it undoable? Ouch.
I feel like that isn't the greatest room for testing. It's very
It's not.
close
what's-
quarters. I definitely don't think that's a good representative room of what the levels will be like in the game. It's definitely very tight compared to what I think it should be.
My favorite part about streaming with OBS is that sometimes my computer is just like, man, I'm not happy. And I'm like, you know what, dog? I get it.
It's so real.
Did I add line of sight for these guys? I did, yeah. Cool. Okay. Okay, I think that might be where I want to leave it, to be honest. The laser pointer actually feels like
Yeah, sounds okay to me.
Good.
I made a little door while
it
you were
needs-
doing that, so I'm happy.
Yeah. I need to fix the VFX for it. And actually do VFX for it because it's not, you know, doing everything it needs
So
to.
I think maybe what we could do is have like just a standardized type of door, and then like either above it or below it have like a little block that like shows what the room is. Because I know like Gunshin
I was-
does sometimes like similar things. It will have like a little icon next to the
Yeah.
door.
So
showing
I
us,
was
like, a special
also-
room
I'm
or
gonna run this
something.
idea by you. I don't know if this is the here. So let's say that this is our room. Is there a door object I can just like spawn in? Yeah. Oh no, sorry. Door visual is the one I want to instantiate. 'Cause then this is like a little easier to just like do me. Imagine that this is like that.
Mhm.
So my thoughts that immediately come out to my mind are, what if in this dark void area that we normally have, what if we
Mhm.
had something like this, where it was let's see, like what would be a good,
What is bro doing?
just trust the process, trust the
I don't
process.
trust the process.
Look.
It's using gradient textures again.
How do I flip these? Flip them, flip like this? Yes. Almost.
What the heck are you
No.
doing?
Hold on.
Bro thinks he's
I'm
cooking
telling
or
you.
something.
I'm telling you to trust the process.
I don't
It
trust
will
the
get there.
process. It's not it.
Yeah, okay. A radial is not the move, but that's okay.
What
Wait,
is-
no, hold on. So like something like this, where there's like this kind of gradient of something here behind the
Mhm.
door, and then there's like a floating icon here. Obviously not like
Maybe-
this, because this looks like shit,
Yeah, it
Um,
is.
as you so graciously remind me of every 2 seconds.
It's
Um,
maybe it feels a little too gamey.
It feels a little too gamey.
I don't know. I just
Okay.
specifically for that, I just don't like it. Like I feel like it should either be a special door that just automatically opens or like an icon above the door.
No, that's okay. I will tell you that I do kind of have a resentment for that term, but that's okay.
I just don't like that
feels
specifically. I don't know.
It feels gamey.
I don't
Ew,
like
we're
it.
making a video game. This is too gamey. Ignore the bouncy platforms randomly in hell. Ignore the
Yeah, I
shop
just
where you
don't
buy items.
know.
It's
I
too
don't like just random.
gamey.
No, I don't know. I don't know exactly what it is that I don't like about it. But I don't like
No, that's
it.
okay. I mean, it's fair. It's fair. I mean, you're the artist vision guy, so I'm just tossing ideas out.
Yeah, and
I'm
I'm
not-
saying
I'm not
no,
like this
you're
needs to be
wrong.
the idea. I trust you to make this look good, but I'm just like, here's an idea that maybe you haven't.
Gamey
considered. It's
equals
just like some
basic.
sort of-
Yeah, it is also just kind of basic. Like you could
Oh, it's
do something
basic.
a lot more interesting than just like an icon with a gradient.
We're making a platformer. Platformer's basic. Drop your platforms are basic. Bouncy platforms are basic. Basic doesn't mean bad. There's a reason it's basic. I do think it can be better, but I'm just saying basic doesn't mean bad. Exactly. No, but I do like your idea of having just a generic door. So what is the... I'm gonna put you on screen real quick.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the skull icon for? Is that... What are you?
Which one? This one here?
Yeah, what are those skull icons for?
Yeah, this is for like fight rooms. So like
Okay,
when you
just
go into
fight
the room,
rooms.
it closes and locks you.
Okay, and then the small lock is...
That's just for locked rooms.
Okay.
And then if it's a special type of room, it would have like an icon above it or behind it, telling you what it is.
Okay.
I definitely want it to be
shop should not be
clear.
locked.
Yes, yes. I definitely want it to be clear when you're unlocking a room, like what type of room it is. I hate games where it's like,
Mhm.
oh, here's this thing you can unlock, but like it could just be another normal room with nothing in it.
Yeah. I think we could also do a thing where the locks are inside of the room. So like in Gungeon, you know how there's like the prison cells that you can go into? And then you
Yeah.
have to like unlock something from inside there. We could do that so that they can go into the room and see what's in there.
Yeah,
And then
possibly.
visually make their decision without having some sort of icon like that. I mean, we could still have the icon, but like without having to have the icon convey everything that could possibly happen from that room. Having just a room you can go into and then being able to choose whether or not you want to spin your key inside of that room while you're already there.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. But yeah, I think that might be it for me tonight. I think I might be
Yep.
dev
That
out.
sounds
Hello,
good to
Gunmetal
me.
Wolf. Oh,
Hey, Bitlytic.
welcome to the stream. Gotta end the stream.
It's over.
I'm so tired. I'm so
Me too. Me
tired.
too. That's okay.
All right. Is it bedtime? Or I guess not
It
bedtime, but is it time
is.
for stream being over? I think it is. Okay. I'm gonna go into the stream. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you all for checking out. We will be back on Thursday, doing the same thing, same time. And then Sunday, I think we're gonna move our Sunday streams to like a lot earlier in the day because the noon stream was actually like pretty nice.
Maybe. It depends.
Maybe. Oh yeah, because you're getting a job.
That is true too.
All right.
Do we want to
I will
raid
catch you guys
anybody?
later. Oh, are we raid? Oh yeah. Fuck, I was worried about raids. Are we raiding anybody? Do we have people to send over to a raid?
We do.
Do we have people? Okay. Then yeah, we can.
Who we raiding?
I have 2 people that I follow that are online.
Okay, we can do one of those.
Yeah, it's
Fine with me.
JD Does Dev or Hypnotic.
Probably JD
I
does
don't
stuff. We raid Hypnotic all the time.
That's true, yeah. And JD just got back to streaming, which is really cool.
Yeah,
So, because
okay.
he took a little break for a while.
My raid is ready.
All right. Mine isn't because I haven't found my OBS.
Crazy.
Okay. All right. Well, I will catch you guys later on Thursday. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you guys have a good night. I hope you guys have or I guess good morning, depending on your time zone. I will catch you later.
Goodbye.